Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, it's the night after the night before. What can we say? We need to reassess our entire investment strategy when it comes to space. When I mean space, I mean Virgin Orbit and Virgin Galactic. We need to assess it. We need to think about it. As investors, we're not gamblers. We are here to invest and make money. Let's look at our situation right now. Okay, let's get straight into our trades. Welcome everybody this morning. Good morning to you. So click subscribe and ring the bell. If you are here for the first time, subscribe, ring the bell. But if you are here regularly, of course, as always, please smash the like button. Okay, we're off and running. Here is our position this morning. We are down, of course, $800 because of last night. We should be at a what? We should be down hardly anything at all. However, Virgin Orbit was a disaster last night. Mistakes can happen, accidents can happen, but the way the company presented itself, the professionalism, the whole package was awful, and I'm very disappointed. However, I recognise that, and I sold my position before it dropped. Because of the low volume in the after hours, though, I couldn't get out quick enough before the market took 500. Excuse me, I'm getting over COVID at the moment, so I apologise. Unfortunately, I was unable to get out quick enough, and I lost $500 last night on that trade. Very, very unhappy. That's just the way it goes. After hours, the volume is lower. And sometimes even if you set a limit order, you can get stuck getting out, especially when it's being dumped the way it was being dumped last night. Anyway, let's have a look. Let's see who's here in the show. We've got on the show so far, we've got Mike. Good morning, Jez. Good morning, Bill. Good morning. Let's bring all the comments in. Hamish, very long time since I joined the stream. How is everyone? Apart from me with COVID, I'm over that now, but the cough is a nightmare. Bill, good morning, Mike. Space Line from Sydney, Canada. Welcome to you, Space Line. What do you think about Virgin Orbit last night? What do you think about that? Mike, good morning. G'day, legend, says Jason Fallon. Is now a good time to invest in Manchester United? Only if you're a gambler. Manchester United has never made any money for the shareholders. I'm not really a fan of that. I'm a fan of Manchester United. I'm a fan. I've been there, Old Trafford. But that's not an investment for me. But, good question, though, Richard. Good morning, Jason, says Mike. Mohammed Kahine, good morning. Are you buying the dip for Virgin Orbit? I think I just explained it pretty well there, how I feel about Virgin Orbit this morning. Richard and Spaceline, good morning. Hey, Mohammed. 22, unlucky with Vorb timing, not doing I told you so, but remember to sell the news and look at the downside. Good lesson. Always learning, always learning. Learn nothing from success, only learn from the mistakes. Wasn't completely a mistake, though. I recognised it was going down and sold it in plenty of time. The market makers and Robinhood system let me down. So that's what happened there. Unfortunately, I can't sell until the market opens. Big loss. Hope they'll try again and recover. I'm sure they'll try again, but the trouble is they're running out of money. That's the reality of that situation. Is now a good time to invest in Man United? Richard asked again. I think I've already answered that one. Good morning, Ed Nevius. Space, hopefully the anomaly doesn't follow space. Well, it certainly has affected the market. If you want to see space this morning, that is down 1.79. It's bound to. It also reflects badly on the company as well. Ed, good morning. Now this is a professional presentation. Well, Jason, thank you. I built this studio to reflect Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit. This entire thing was supposed to be for Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit, the way we present ourselves. Need I say more? Expect excellence, demand perfection, do not suffer fools, and compare yourself to the best. Not to your mum or what your mum says or your friends down the pub. Compare yourself and set your standards to the best. That's my philosophy in life. Sid, good morning to you. I've got Virgin Media coming round later to fix my Wi-Fi. Do you want to give him a good hiding for you? Jess West. I like it. Mike, good morning. Look at the comments this morning. Did you ever end up visiting Virgin Galactic buildings? We are going there this summer for the Day Trader Convention. We went last year to Virgin Orbit. We met in England. This year we're all meeting in New Mexico. Yes, we're going there. That is if I get the approval from my members here. We're going to try and fund it again like last time. Did you have shares in Lucid? Yes, I've got shares in Lucid. Hilarious. Should we sell Virgin Galactic? Well, we'll discuss that today. That's a new shirt for the shop, Martin. I'll have 2. Hey, expect excellence. Are you out of Tesla now? And finally, Sean Glode. Good morning, Ed. Okay, we've welcomed everybody in. I think we've got everyone in. This is my position right now. Let's go from my portfolio. I'm down $800. I should only be down a couple of hundred. I'm down because of Virgin Orbit trading the way it did, not because I didn't sell it way ahead of schedule, because the volume was low, it would not go through, and by the time it went through, I was down 30%. And I'm annoyed. I am very annoyed. But the good news is my overall portfolio, if I share with you, as I always share with you everything honestly, openly, this is my portfolio right now, 33.1. The overall position is 34.4. I received that bloody check. Yep, there are still people who send money via checks. I know. Isn't it ridiculous? In 2023, it's lazy. Get the app. You can send it via an app. Anyway, this is my entire portfolio, 34,400. So I received my 1,100 this morning. What did I do with it? As you can see, I put 1,100 into my Roth IRA. Why did I do that? That's my long-term position. I get a 1% match with Robinhood. It's free money. And because I'm under $25,000 on my Roth, unlike my main brokerage account, you don't get you don't get instant deposits. You only get up to $1,000 instant deposit. So $1,100 is in there, but $100 is coming within the next 5 days. I get a 1% match. I got $11 for free. So what did I do with it? I bought some VU this morning. There you go. There's my VU. I bought 1 share of VU this morning in my Roth IRA. So there is my Roth IRA now up to 1,200. I'm going to get it to 7,000 by April if I can earn that much money on YouTube and my gigs. And then I'll start maxing out year 2023. Okay, so that's the idea. So I did get my money. It's gone in. That's why my balance is 33, but it's actually 34.4. 1% match. Thank you from Robinhood. Love it. Great. Let's carry on. Dutch says hi. Do check. Oh, wonderful stuff. Let's remind ourselves about the lovely Duchak. Yes. Have I got it here? No, it's Uzumaki. I always confuse Duchak with Uzumaki. This is Uzumaki. I don't know why I do it. I always do this.
Hello to the family and the future family members. Uzumaki here. I just wanted to say the Day Trader is one of the most honest, 100% open YouTubers around. Martin's an honest guy and helps us through all the market ups and downs. Don't be shy, say hello and join the family.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England and he's a lot of fun.
Paul B. Jez, it's great to have you here. Ali, brilliant. So leave some cash. So I've got plenty of buying power now. If we go and visit my overall portfolio, you'll see I've got... let's bring you this screen. This one's better. I prefer this one. $3,000 in my buying power in my main brokerage. In my Roth IRA, I've got 655 in the buying power. So I've got money in cash now. Remember, I earn 4% interest from Robinhood by holding cash as well. And Ali Tisro has mentioned the crypto series. We do want to do a crypto part of our program. Ali has prepared a portfolio to buy a series of crypto. I'm not going to do it by the amount that he suggested, but I'm looking at doing it on a smaller scale so I can present it to you as part of our crypto series, and then you'll see how the progress is. So Ali will contribute onto that through his server, through his channel on my Discord server, plus the following the video. So we're looking at doing that, just to give you a bit of insight. That's a big glass of gin. Yes, says Shad. Think you do well, Martyn, to keep building up your cash position at the moment. Maybe say to yourself, only invest 50% of the money you earn and keep building up a cash position for a crash. I am sensing that 22. Neptunian, hello to you. Hello, how are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. So, let's welcome everybody in. Yesterday, we had a record number. We had over, I think, nearly 1,000 people through our Virgin Orbit stream yesterday. It was quite a to-do. Let's check our position this morning. Let's see where we're starting off with subscribers. We're growing very, very quickly on the channel. 6,026. Oh, we've already gained 2. That was quick. So we're gaining more and more subscribers every day. If you become a member of this channel and you become a sponsor member, which is $99 a month, you can sponsor my commercial spaces, and you'll see when they pop up throughout the show. And remember, I'm on 20 platforms at the same time, 10 hours a day. You're only paying for 1 commercial a day, but at the moment, you could have probably 20 or 30 because you'll be the only one. All right, bear that in mind. Very, very good commercial, 6028. Right, how many watching? 36. Let's put a minute on the clock. We need, look, there's 36 watching. We need 30 likes in 1 minute. Let's do it. Let's bring up a minute clock on the counter. Let's get this going. Here we go. Are you ready? 1 minute on the, there we go. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. 19, 20. We need 30 likes in 1 minute. We like to give away cash prizes on our show. We're looking to do that when we hit 100 likes. We did it yesterday, so we love to do that. It's a little extra thing. I'm not doing it every day, by the way. Don't think I am, but let's get to 100 likes. Let's get, what, 21, 22, 30 people watch, 30, 40, but hang on, people watching now. Look, there's 36. We should get 30 likes in 20 seconds easily. Smash the like button. Let's get there. Let's try and give away some more money on our show. Welcome everybody on TikTok. Oh, we've got a bit of 23, 24. We've got a bit of a battle going on TikTok right now. When we get some excitement on TikTok, I like to share it with you. And, oh, hang on a minute. Let me just change that. What's going on here with, there we go. That's better. Let me go back to TikTok a second. And from time to time, when we get a battle on TikTok, we like to bring you on the screen. We got my fans on TikTok trying to become #1 fan, and we've got Garrison Mazur who's tapping the screen. Our Elvis guy, keep tapping the screen, and he's our #1 fan this morning. There we go. Thank you for all the tips. Our #1 fan on TikTok. We'll bring you up on the screen when the battle starts again. All right. Okay. Wonderful stuff. Good morning, Martyn, everyone. Octavio. Good morning, Octavio. How are you? Would the real Satoshi please stand up? That's right, says Neptunian. I love it when cryptos crash on these nerds, says Neptunian. Okay, we'll keep our eye on TikTok and we'll come back to that if we get an explosion over there. All right, let's welcome everybody on Live Streamer Cafe this morning. Sean C. I've got a guest here on Live Streamer Cafe. Sean C. Sean Collins, I'm putting you on YouTube right now. How are you? My name's Martyn Lucas, world piano man and co-owner of Live Streamer Cafe. I see you there. Are you still there? If you leave a comment on the screen right now, I will share it to all our audience on YouTube right now. So just drop a comment in there. Let's see if he does it. Let's see if he's still there. There's Sean C. One of our artists. Yes, wonderful. Thank you so much. Sean Collins, I'm promoting your stream now to over 20 platforms. It's what I do as an owner of Live Streamer Cafe. I like to help people. So there you go. Sean C, go and check him out on Live Streamer Cafe. He's one of our new artists. And he's in my lounge right now. And there you go. You've just been seen on TikTok, Twitch, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. Thousands of people have just seen you, Sean. And there you go. I'll try and catch one of your streams. And thank you for joining me. This is my YouTube channel. Pop into YouTube right now and say hello to all the team. And if you become a member of my YouTube channel, I'll get everyone to subscribe to your YouTube channel if you have one. All right. Anyway, let's look at our position right now. All you got to do is tap on that screen and you'll be in YouTube, Sean. Anyway, S&P is coming up slightly. This is my investor channel. I also have, of course, my music channel. And this is my studio. This is where I am right now. There you go. All right. Welcome, everybody. Oh, Bill. Bill is going for the fan of the day on TikTok. There he is. He's number one. Bill is now my number one fan on TikTok. There he is on the screen. Thank you, Bill. He's a Luca Badge owner, one of my subscribers, and I promote him as much as I possibly can. Awesome stuff. I love it. And we've got Chris just popped into Live Streamer Cafe as well. Welcome. I've just been promoting Sean C live on the show. And getting all my audience here on all my platforms to take a look at Sean C. All right, so let's move swiftly along now. We've got our first commercial break after last night's debacle from Virgin Orbit. Terrible, terrible stuff. All right, our first commercial break. You can skip the ad if you see it. Here we go. If you become a YouTube member on the sponsorship level, you can sponsor this space. Up to 20 times a day, over 20 platforms, $99 a month. There you go. You can sponsor that space. And we're back. All right. So if you want to sponsor that space, you can. Okay. Very, very simple. Moving along now. Here's my portfolio. The S&P is down slightly. Number one just got the number one gifter badge. Hey, congratulations. Congratulations, Bill. You just got the number one gifter badge over there on TikTok. Excellent stuff. You'll get your channel ranked up. Very, very nice. Thanks for doing that, mate. Scrolling down to our comments, what do we have here? Do you like poodles, says Matthew Markland. I've no idea. Not really. I'm not sure what would be smart for me to do. Sell at a loss or scalp VORB for lower the average and then sell. Listen, Virgin Orbit, I'm out of Virgin Orbit. I've sold my entire position. However, I have not sold my long-term position on my Roth IRA. Let's get absolutely clear of that. I have not sold that part of it, but I have sold my trading part of it. Nice one, Bill, says Malk. There you go. Congratulations, Bill. All right. Not sure if to go to space on anything Virgin. As a company I've done, I'll keep buying Branson Pickle, though. Branson Pickle. Very funny. I like it. I like it. Sean C., when are you going to stream? Got to check it out. Good morning, Christopher, says Sean C. over there on Live Streamer Cafe. Very, very nice indeed. I wonder, actually, if I'm able to do this. I think I can. I haven't set this up yet. I might be able to. Let me have a quick look. This is something new. Let me see if this works. No, it doesn't. So I will untick that. And I will come back to that later. We've got a nice widget on Livestreamer Cafe. We'll come back and look at that later on. Okay. The S&P 500. We've got 40 minutes to go, rather. Virgin Galactic going down. No surprise. No surprise. Virgin Orbit. It's back where I sold it. It went lower, but I haven't bought back because remember now the company is only valued at a staggering $677 million. A rocket company is only valued at 677. We've got a bit of action on TikTok this morning. People smashing the likes, becoming number one fans. Bill is still the number one fan on TikTok. Thank you for that, Bill. And also on top of the woes for Virgin Orbit, I doubt if they'll fly again for a year. Remember, there's an element of danger here to the public because they didn't get the rocket into orbit the way it should have done. So they might not fly for a year. So you'll be parking your money with Virgin Orbit for quite a while. So be very, very careful thinking, oh, it's cheap. Oh, I'm going to buy it for 16 cents. The company after last night might go bankrupt. And I'm sorry. And fortunately, in fact, I don't need to apologize because I put a Twitter post out earlier and I thought I might get some negativity towards it, and I didn't. People actually agreed with me. This was my Twitter post last night. In fact, I would like your thoughts on my Twitter post. I actually sent this to Virgin Orbit. I did not write on Virgin Orbit's page. I don't believe in doing that. I don't believe in trolling and being negative to anyone. But I will have my say on my channel. So I did not, and I repeat, did not go and troll Virgin Orbit and say they were rubbish and blah, blah, blah. I spoke on my own channel. It's for people to look on my channel. So there is my Twitter handle. I would like you to give me your thoughts on this. This was my comment, that's my little mini-me, towards Virgin Orbit. Demand excellent. Be the best in all you do. Don't suffer fools. Always compare yourself to the best. Think how you are seen by others. Presentation is everything, and their presentation was diabolical. The Virgin Orbit presentation to their investors is rubbish. They should all be fired. Yes, they should all be fired. Virgin Orbit, I'm sad and disappointed, showed no respect to the investor. The stock price shows that. Okay, that was my comment. And also made this comment. Very disappointed with Virgin Orbit. The writing was on the wall tonight. Presentation was like the back bedroom school rocket club. This did not satisfy investors. They and I dumped it. Remember, I met the staff at Virgin Orbit. They didn't believe in their own stock. Remember, I've always said that. Major issues, now a lot worse. I'd like your thoughts on these, please. And as I say, I did not go to Virgin Orbit and share my thoughts there. I don't like doing stuff like that. I never talk ill of anyone. But I will talk about what I believe on my show, because this is my show, right? I will express my thoughts here. But I don't go and jump on their Twitter feed and go, it was rubbish. They're feeling the pain this morning. They're very upset, I'm sure. But I think, someone said to me last night, well, they're not a presentation company. Yes, they are. If you're a public company, you own the business of selling to your investors. And last night, sitting in a back bedroom with a curtain on the wall, looking like idiots. And someone said to me, well, NASA have got money. SpaceX have got money. Hello, $10 a day I earn on YouTube. I present this studio to you in a better quality than Virgin Orbit. That's why I'm out. Not because they missed on their expectations last night. I'm out because they do not believe in the company themselves, and they should be fired, the media team, and they should hire me because I care more about their company than they clearly do. At one point, Virgin Holdings, Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit was 30% of my portfolio. And I'm not a rich man, am I? Anyway, Virgin Orbit is coming up a bit now. It was down 30% last night. We are going to get now, retail investors think this is a gift. I'm not buying it. I don't care what you say. It might go up a bit because if, as Elon Musk has said, I don't know why people buy my stock. He tells them not to buy the stock. People will buy it today. People might buy this today thinking it's cheap. Oh, look at Virgin Orbit. It's cheap. They will come back, but they could go bankrupt first. They could. They need to they need to dilute their stock. So as soon as this goes up, folks, they're going to dilute. And your shares will go right back down again. Now, if you want to gamble and you want to buy it because you reckon everybody's going to buy it today, jump on in. Buy Virgin Orbit, fill your boots. That to me is gambling, though. That to me is not investing. Bill is tweeting. What has Bill tweeted to my post? Let's have a look. Bill has retweeted my post. If you retweet this or comment to it, oh, I see I've already got a comment here. Oh, there we go. Let's have a little look. Let's see what people think. Bill says, not available in Canada. Not quite sure. Not sure what that means. But Mike says, I agree. Mike says, I agree. Thank you, Mike, for your comment. There you go. Mike agrees with that statement. What do you think? Virgin Orbit could remerge with Virgin Galactic. What do you think of that idea, Spaceline? I'm not sure about that. Not sure I'd go to space on anything Virgin, says Andrew Grady. I apologise again for this coughing. I haven't got over COVID yet. I was interviewed for 500 shares out at the Bell. Cornwall Live. Cornish people are peed off as Cornwall Council used our taxes to build the spaceport. There you go. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised by that. Powell is speaking in 3 minutes. 22. At 8 o'clock. I will have it. If it is available to me, I will bring it to you, 22. I've now got this. Thank you. 22. You said to me, get a calendar of events. You remember? You remember you said that to me? Well, I took heed. I took heed. And I now have this. Calendar of financial events. So I'm watching and I'm able to bring everything that's important to you. And you may have noticed in the newsletter, 22, did you read the newsletter? Did you notice that I mentioned the calendar of financial events? I'm very pleased to say we still have Sean C. in our live streamer cafe. If anyone pops in, I'll promote them. There he is. There he is. If you want to pop in, you can follow and subscribe to Sean C. Sean C, if you drop into YouTube right now, you just click on this video, leave your link to live streamer cafe. I can show you how to do that. It's a little option for you, just a little thought for you. I'm happy to promote you anyway. We're looking out for Jerome Powell speaking. It's not being broadcast anywhere yet, so if it does get broadcast, I will bring it to you. Thank you, Bill. Like Heinz Tomatoes, you're outstanding in your field. Thank you very much. Mark Cuban says, always be the best of yourself and you'll always succeed. And I believe that. Told you yesterday it would go up high, Anthony Mallion. I tweeted the show, thank you. Two separate companies just because they share the same name. I agree with you, Shad. I'm not sure I even like the idea, to be perfectly honest with you. I'm not so sure that would be the best move. I suggested trading economics also includes Fed speakers. Trading economics. Okay, let me take that down. I got several apps, so I can bring them on the screen. Obviously, you understand that for me, it has to be visual as well. It has to be visual so I can share with everyone. There we go. Breaking news here on Sky News. That's nothing I need. We'll come back to that if we get any more information over there. That's not what we're looking for. Looking for relevant news for the show. BTC squeeze coming. Says Dean Jennings. Pre-consolidation, MACD tight. Thank you. Ah, there we go. Thank you, guys. Here is Sean Collins on our show right now. Welcome, Sean Collins. How are you? This was the guy over on Live Streamer Cafe, a new artist. So, Sean, he's on YouTube right now. He's one of our guests. So, Sean, what we do here, we have the most engaged, this is official, by the way, the most engaged channel on YouTube when it comes to live viewers who are members. Can you see everyone's got a badge? That's because 95% of my viewers are actually members, and they get 20 times back what they put in. We promote them. They have cash giveaways. If you are interested in this content, obviously, if you're only interested in this content, what we do is we go live 10 hours a day. We trade, invest, and my members get many, many perks, 20 times back what they put in. And one of the perks that my members get, here's the invitation to join. Should you like this content and wish to be a member of this channel, here is the invitation to join. If you are a member of our channel, we put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. And this is the YouTube channel, and these are our members. And during Members Days on Friday, I get everyone to subscribe to your YouTube channel. But because I said if you come in today, I'll give you a special gift. If you become a YouTube member to my channel, I will get everybody, and they will do it because these are the most engaged, supportive people on YouTube. Every person here will subscribe to your YouTube channel. That is a promise. They all will. If you become a YouTube member of my channel, consider it. Plus, you'll get many, many perks if you're interested in this channel. Also, I was named World Piano Man by Sir Elton John. This is my TV studio, and I do live music in the evening. And if you'd like me to reply back to your comments and promote your channel on one of my new music videos, this is a premiere that came out yesterday. This is my YouTube brand new premiere. If you comment on that, I will comment back and highlight your YouTube channel to the top of my channel. Top of my comments, you will see me do it. Okay? There you go. Just some little thoughts for you to consider. Right, the overall portfolio is coming up this morning. That's good to see. What is moving? The S&P 500 is bouncing back. That was nice because I just bought the S&P in my Roth IRA. So I'm glad to see that bounce. That was perfect timing. Virgin Galactic is now 386. I'm not buying it until it goes lower. Does anyone fancy going to the pub later? Yes, would love to. If you're in Dallas, I'll meet you. I work for Virgin Wines. Nothing to do with Branson. They just paid for the name. A lot of companies do that. Cornwall Live, they only paid $8,000 to stage the launch. £20 on the black curtains from Home Bargains. Oh, yeah. Jesware, sorry I can't make the pub tonight. Forgot. I got Virgin Media coming round. Great info. Thank you, Martin. Sean Collins, you are very, very welcome. You're very, very welcome. Right. Virgin Galactic, don't be fooled into a quick pump. Please don't make the mistake. If Virgin Orbit does go up, you are gambling. You might as well be at a casino and gamble. How much space do you have now? I sold it. One share. One share. I'm still going to buy Virgin Galactic because it will go down. And it's got paying. There it goes. No surprise. No surprise. What's my entry price? Well, thanks to Virgin Orbit, it could be $2 by the end of the day. But what will happen is, I know what's going to happen. We're going to have retail investors jump on this and pump it up, but we're also going to get shorters play a game as well. Anyway, let's have a look how many people we got on the show right now. It's time for a quick commercial break, and let me bring everybody up to date. Be right back in just a few seconds from now. If you become a YouTube member, you can sponsor this channel, this space. Right now, this space, you can sponsor it for $99 a month over 20 platforms at the same time, 20 times a day in that space. Is that not a bargain or what? Right now, you can put your logo in that space, okay? And your link will go in below the videos as well. But I won't buy the stock, says Mohammed Kahine. Virgin Orbit looks to sign Buzz Lightyear. Brickmark, what's your entry price? I haven't got one specifically, but I am watching it closely. We are keeping our eye on TikTok as well this morning. We got a bit of a battle going on. We got 2,500 likes. We got Bill, who's one of my subscribers. He's my #1 fan today. Does anyone want to knock Bill off the top spot? If you tap the likes and send some love, you might beat Bill and become the top fan. But right now, Bill is the top fan over there on TikTok. Usually whatever goes up, what goes down goes up, I think, or it'll go back up again soon. But I won't buy the stock, said Mohammed. No, I'm not a gambler. I'm not here to gamble my life away. I'm here to invest and make money consistently. And that is what we are doing. Right, the overall portfolio is rising. The S&P is doing well, very good indeed, rising up this morning. And I bought some the S&P this morning. I like it. Rivian is also up. Tesla is up. I sold half my position yesterday. I'm looking to buy more as a long-term investment into my Roth. Lucid. Apple. Everything is pumping. You don't buy on a pump unless you like paying more for stocks. Time to make that $400 back. Yes, Ali. Ali, let's speak today. After today's show, Ali, let's speak. Send me a message and I will give you, you can call me on Discord if you like. We can just speak audio, do an audio message through Discord. So, Ali, call me at the end of the show if that's okay. Ali is a gold member, and he has 2 1-hour Zoom calls a month if he wants that service. Gold members get that service, but I think he wants to talk to me personally, so we won't charge you for that, mate. Just call me up. Do I get a chat as a silver member? Do I get a chat as a silver member? Excuse me. Itchy nose. As a silver member, you can now have a 20-minute... I just need 15 minutes. Church, you're a friend of mine, so I regard you as a friend, not just a member of the family, a friend, as all my original members here are friends of mine. So, Church, if you want to call me through Discord. And, again, I'm free at the end of this show. So I'll be free for half an hour if anybody wants to, if Church or Ali want to call me. But as a silver member now, Ali, Church, you can now go on the homepage of my YouTube channel, should you wish to do that. But you can also have a 20-minute fundraiser as well. J&J, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Next Extra Energy. Let's go over, let me just check a minute how many people we got. 11 minutes. Hang on a second. 35 likes. How many people are watching right now? 39. Okay, we're good. I was just checking how many people are in the show. Bill is still in top spot on TikTok. If anyone wants to compete against Tom, Bill is #1. We got nearly 3,000 likes now. Thank you, Bill. And yesterday we passed our 6,000 subscribers. Thank you ever so much, everyone who helped that and made that possible. And we're going up all the time now. We're gaining a subscriber every few minutes. It's incredible how much quicker, how fast it's growing right now. Here come the likes on TikTok. Number 1 is tapping the screen. Need 3,000 likes now. I usually raise money for Ronald McDonald House. They helped me when I was homeless as a child. When I was homeless as a child, really? I didn't realise that. We can certainly do a 20-minute fundraiser for you. That's free. That's what you get as a silver member. We can set up a 20-minute fundraiser for you for free, and you get all the money. Your charity get all the money. I don't take a penny. The links on the screen will go directly to Ronald McDonald, should you wish to do that. And that is my gift to you for free. As long as you're a silver member for 300 years. No, as long as you're a silver member, which you are. Right, just over 15 minutes ago before the bell goes. This is my portfolio. We are down yesterday because of that awful presentation from... Now, some of you will say it's got nothing to do with the presentation. No, the stock price going down is to do with the failure of the company not delivering the satellites into orbit, but that's a separate issue. The stock price was still going down this morning because no one... investors are all over it on Twitter. They haven't all sold out. Many of the big investors, the whales, have gone. I know I'm a small investor, but they share my sentiment. So don't think I'm on my own on that. All right. If you'd like to comment on my 2 Twitter posts, and remember, I made that point this morning, and this is very important. I never troll, never comment negative comments on anyone's social media, ever. I don't downlike anything. I don't comment, but I will have my view on my channel. There's my Twitter handle. If you want to go and look at my Twitter posts, we've got Mike just comment. He agreed. There's my 2 comments about Virgin Orbit. I made 2 comments you might like to react to on my Twitter this morning, or last night actually, to do with Virgin Orbit. I'd like your thoughts. I'm guessing Vorb is going to get shorted to hell. I don't know, because you've got to be brave shorting a stock at 157. I have tagged them. Look, Virgin Orbit, but I wouldn't share this onto their wall. I wouldn't comment on them. I don't believe it's right going to someone's wall and say, you're rubbish, I think you did a bad job. They are human beings. They made a mistake. They don't deserve my investment. They don't deserve my money. They let me down, and that's disgusting, and that's why I had my opinion. But going to their wall and saying that isn't the place. I think that's where social media is wrong. Social media should be for you to voice your opinion in your room, in your home, in your space, which is what I do. This is my channel. This is my space. I don't go to other people's channels and other people's spaces going, you're rubbish, or downliking. I never downlike anyone's video. If I don't like it, I don't comment. If I don't like it, I don't downlike it. If I like it and I love it, I'll thumbs it up and comment, but never do anything negative. Someone said to me yesterday, don't be toxic. I am never toxic, always optimistic, but I will share my opinions, my point of view on my channel, in my space. You are an investor for them, different. I was an investor for Virgin Orbit. I'm not anymore. I think it's right. Otherwise, they won't. No. Look, well, they can see my post if they. I mean, I get some viral posts from time to time. Virgin Orbit can see my post. They can come and read my post. But no, I'm not going to go in there and say you did a terrible job. It's not my place. If they comment to me and say, hey, do you think you could present our company better than we can? I would say, yes, I can. And I think you did an awful job. and I will share that. But they come to me. People come to me. That's the best way. By the way, if anyone's growing a YouTube channel, that's the way to grow a YouTube channel. Have people come to you. Don't go around trying to get people to come to you by tagging and posting and talking nonsense all over the place. It doesn't work. Trolling doesn't work. And it's irrelevant whether it works or not anyway. It's about what's right anyway. The right thing to do. Did I run my commercial break at 1:15? I don't think I did. I think I just missed a commercial break. Virgin Galactic's going down. Did I miss the commercial break at 1:15? I think I did. Yeah, I thought so. Right. This is where my sponsors need to know where they're going to be in. All right, so I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. You can sponsor this space here if you are a YouTube membership level. You can sponsor this space. 20 platforms a day, 10 hours a day being live streamed, and you can be in that space. All right, what a bargain that is right now, because you'll be the first person. Once I get more sponsors, you'll be sharing the spots. I think it's right otherwise. They won't be motivated to change. They had your money. They deserve to be attacked. Bloody hell, church. You've come out a bit this morning. You thought presentation wasn't important last night. Now you're going, they deserve to be attacked. You can attack passively. You can attack by expressing your views on your social media. Someone just said, stop coughing, bro. I am actually getting over COVID and then a bronchial infection. I should actually be off having a break, but I'm live 10 hours a day to support my members and my investors. So I apologize for my coughing, but I would like to be excused. I can't help it. It's frustrating more to me than it is to you. I'm going to assure you. I'm bloody angry that I can't stop coughing, but that's why I'm coughing. I apologize. Someone on TikTok just said to me, stop coughing. This was his comment on the screen here. There you go. Stop coughing, bro. And my team comes straight in and defend me. I love this. I have the most passionate, dedicated, loyal family of traders, investors, and friends of my channel. No one gets a look in. Mike jumps straight in. Go away, says Mike Flynn. I love it. I love this channel. Best channel in the world. Vord was set up to make people dump, says Mr. Clockwork. The motivation will come with plummeting share price. They don't need me to tweet all over the place. So Rich like to buy cheap. Good morning from USA. I'm sure this is afternoon to you. Good morning. I am in the USA. I am in Dallas, Texas, even though I'm from England. Welcome. Caden Youngquist is here. Good morning, Caden. Caden, I sent you a message on Discord. Text my number. I gave you my number to text me, and I'm sending you $10 on Apple Pay as soon as you message me. Or you can leave it with me and you can sponsor the newsletter. We've got a space coming up. It's up to you. My friends lost money because of them and me. Now my reputation is damaged. No, your reputation is not damaged. It wasn't you who presented a rubbish company. Mark, you sound like you need some night nurse. Oh, yeah, I love a bit of night nurse. Love a bit of night nurse. Stop it, man. Stop coughing. Pal isn't speaking publicly. I want to be clear about that. Just texted you. Fantastic. Thank you, Caden. If anyone else mentions my bloody cough, I'm going to ban them. Didn't I sponsor the newsletter? I didn't. Right, Andrew. The Queen of Self-Braiding has this Sunday's newsletter. So let me just confirm. Newsletter. All right. Queen has this week. Andrew Grady. Yes, you mentioned it. I didn't know if you were joking or not. So Andrew Grady, yes, you did give me a $10 super chat. So you have sponsored the newsletter. So next week, so after that, you can have the newsletter is available if Caden wants it or anybody else wants it. So Andrew Grady, you have by 1 p.m. Saturday to get me your copy, okay, of the week that you want the newsletter. So I suggest you get your copy to me. So I want the image, thumbnail, link, and what it is you want me to say. Okay, send that via Discord. If you do not get it by Saturday 1 p.m., I will not chase you. You will miss it. You won't miss your spot. We'll put it again on the next available spot. But if you don't get it to me on time, you won't make copy. Some people get it to me too late, and I cut off on Saturday, the day before, at 1 p.m. Central Time. 9 minutes to go. I was probably joking. I had a few. All right, so you were joking. All right. Okay. All right, I'll take that out again then. All right, I thought you were joking. All right. Okay, so we got newsletter is queen, and we got next week available if anybody wants it. All right. I thought you were joking. Nice one, mate. All right, I lost my seed phrase. Is that real, by the way? Is that real? You lost your seed phrase? That is tragic. That is the worst news ever, if that's true. That was the most unimpressive launch ever. It was basically a PowerPoint with some crappy video. There we go. Chris, would you please comment? Would you please comment on my Twitch post? Sorry, my Twitter post. I would like your view. We are not trolling Twitter. I don't do that. I don't believe in that approach. However, I do make my views known on my space, my home, my family. There is my Twitter. Please go and leave your comment. I have 2 posts. Chris, I'd like you to share your views with. So please go and do that. Let me change to my investor channel. Okay. I'd like your, and anyone's comments, please. Here's my, we've got 7 minutes to go. So here are my 2 comments that I made. Firstly, demand excellence. Be the best in all you do. Don't suffer fools. Always compare yourself to the best. Think of how you could be seen by others. Virgin Orbit is I'm sad and disappointed. It showed no respect to the investor. The stock price shows that. There's my mini-me. And my other comment was here. Very disappointed with Virgin Orbit. The writing was on the wall tonight. Presentation was like a back bedroom school rocket club. This did not satisfy investors. They and I dumped it. I remember I met the staff at Virgin Orbit. I went there. I spoke to people. They don't believe in the stock themselves. Major issues, now a lot worse. All right? I'd like your thoughts, please. Oil up, says Churchy. Christopher, exactly. I was probably joking. I had a few Karevs. Okay, that's all right. Martin, you need to get more J&J shares, so they sent you some cough syrup. Yeah, I might like to get sponsored by J&J. If you're listening, please sponsor my channel. I'd like it very much. You could sponsor my channel. Be good, wouldn't it? Martin, is Harry on the front page of the is Harry on the front page of the newsletter? My view on Prince Harry is Prince Harry is a buffoon. He's an idiot. He is disliked. I don't use the word hated. He is disliked by virtually everybody in the UK. Stay where you are in America, in your little hovel somewhere. I don't want you back in England. Nobody else does. You have sold your life for money. You have gone on air and said you have murdered 42 Taliban soldiers, and now you have a target on your back. You have disrespected the British Army. You are a fool. You are an idiot, and you will do anything to make money. And my comment to you, sir, is you are under the thumb. Your wife has you under the thumb. She has sold your entire life to make her rich. You're an idiot, and you are never welcome back in the UK. End of comment. I lost my seed phrase, says Ali Tisro. I can't believe you've done that. How much money have you lost? Because you lose your seed phrase, it's gone. That's okay, mate. Have a tip. I've got nothing to promote. Thank you. I'll take the tip. Thank you. I agree with that. The video was not great on Virgin Orbit launch. Thank you, Octavio. Go and leave your comments on Twitter. Cough as much as you need, my friend. Not a lot you can do. There's not much in it. Twitter, I don't tweet. I'm not a twit. I know you're not a twit, but I want your tweet. You're not a twit, but I want your tweet, all right? Yes, it's real. I'm trying really hard not to smash my apartment into... Oh, my God. Ali, how much money was on your wallet? Oh my God, that is bad. 30,000. $30,000. Anyone now? Look, this is anyone who sold space to buy Vorb should have thought twice. Alex, do not give information when we don't have any. There is no information on Virgin Galactic. I get all the posts all the time, and there is nothing other than hopery at the moment. Let's be honest. I don't dislike him. I broke my anti-Twitter stance just because the event was too pathetic. 5 minutes to bell, 3 minutes to bell now. What happened, Church of Logic? You keep him over there. Yeah, well said, Martin. Thank you, Bill. What happened? I'm confused. How can you be confused? How can you be confused, Church? Sorry, mate. I'm part of the company of the Royals. I know part of the Royal Park. I know we part company on the Royals, but that whole inbred monarchy needs to fail. There you go. I give everyone their view on this channel. Okay. Ali in trouble. That's a big story there with Ali Tisro. Ali Tisro, huge story there with his seed phrase. It's what I said. I made this comment a few weeks ago, and people thought I was being an idiot when I said the best thing that ever happens to crypto was FTX. Why? After the bell, I'll tell you. Sam Bankman-Fried was the best thing to happen to crypto. I explained it, and I'll explain it right after the bell in just 1 minute. And to give you a clue of why I said it was the best thing to ever happen, sadly for Ali Tisro, and I am sad for Ali Tisro, that is what I mean. Look, and I'll explain in 1 minute from now. Here we go. Here comes the bell. Here we go. But you can get your seed phrase back. I've seen it done. Very, very important. The bell is about to go. Over on Live Streamer Cafe, we've got Sean C. and Christopher watching my show. Excellent stuff. We've got 56 people, a record audience before the show this morning. Everyone smash the like button. Smash the like button if you want the shares to go up today. If we get 100 likes, I'm going to give another cash prize away today. I love giving money away when we get 100 likes. Here we go. Let's go to the bell. Let's watch what's happening. Here we go. 10 seconds to go. Smash the like. We're at 41 likes, 42 likes. We're going up very quickly. Okay, let's ring the bell in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. The bell is now gone. Let's go through and see what's up, see what's being dumped, and everything is here. This is my real money, my real trades, my real portfolio. Everything you see here is 100% real, okay? This is all real. This is my live position, and let's go through it right now. The S&P is coming up. I just bought more. I'm very happy. Virgin Galactic is getting a bit of a pump, and it will be dumped. Look at that. Be very, very wary if you buy Virgin Orbit this morning. It's gambling. It's purely gambling. That the company will not fly for at least a year. So if you invest on a rocket company that can't and won't fly for a year, you must be barking mad. It's like buying a horse that can't run a race. All right? I wouldn't do that in all the money in China. It doesn't matter if it goes up. We're going to get retail investors buy it because they think it's cheap. We're going to get retail investors short it because it's going down. It's going to be a battle of wits, and I'm going to sit and watch it from the sidelines. Tesla's going up. Lucid is going up. Apple is down points. Is going down. I'm going to buy some more Apple in a minute. Apple, Amazon. Here we go. We had a little pop this morning, and now back down again. We're going to buy some stocks here soon. If everything keeps going down like this. J&J. I've got plenty of money to spend. I've got, let me share with you exactly what I've got right now. I've got, here it is, $3,100 to spend in my buying power there. And on my Roth IRA, I've got $658 to spend in there. Overall, my portfolio is worth $34,000. I got a max this morning for free from Robinhood. Very, very good indeed. Wow, I cannot believe we've got 60 people watching already this morning. This is incredible stuff. If we get 100 likes, I'm giving away another cash prize today on the show. Welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. We rank number 1 in the world for SPC stock. We rank number 1 in the world for TLRY stock. We rank number 1 in the world for VORB stock on the search term on YouTube. And we have the highest engagement rate in the world on YouTube for live viewers who are members. Mr. Beast has 8 to 9%. We have 95% of our live viewers are members. Be part of our family. Become a member, and you get 20 times back what you put in. Ask every single person here who is a member. Here's the invitation to join. Become a member right now. We've raised over $1 million. Excuse me, I'm getting over COVID. Over $1 million on my music channel for our members and our charities. And here is our Discord link. It's free if you want to talk to our traders, investors, 24 hours a day. This is free, but we will upgrade you live on the show and give you exclusive access that you can't get unless you are a YouTube member. There is Discord. All right. Okay. Let's go. VORB is going to dump when the market opens. Watch it, says Ali Tisro. Everybody who's a member gets their name on the screen. You can call into the show. You can be live on the show. And you can be part of our event as well every day, 10 hours a day. All right. And we have exclusive content for our members only. Now, if you are interested, if we get to 100 likes, we will give away another cash prize. If you're interested, I was actually voted by Elton John as the world piano man. And here is my brand new, which I'm glad to say today, is starting to go viral. Excuse me. Here is my new YouTube playlist that I recorded in my studio. They are starting to go viral now. Thank you guys for sharing that. I've got YouTube, Facebook pages starting to share my YouTube music. Absolutely great. So there we go. We double down there. My Coinbase coving from my VORB losses. My Coinbase is going up. Here is my Coinbase position. Let me share with you on the screen. There's my Coinbase position. I am up on it. As you can see, overall, I am up on it 15%. Thank you very much, Ali Tisro, by the way. Arnold the Palmer says, margin, not a chance in hell. I have no margin whatsoever. So I'm not going to be margin called in a million years. The S&P 500 is coming up. I bought some more this morning. Very, very nice indeed. Not buying it now because it's pumped. Virgin Galactic is rising at the moment. It's down, but I'm not buying it at the moment. Virgin Orbit is now going down. It's going sideways, down 21%. You'd be very brave if you bought that. Coinbase is up 7% now to $40.95. Rivian is up. Tesla, Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's. Good, you sold space. I'm out of space at the minute. I'm not saying I won't buy it when it goes lower. J&J, great news coming at the end of the year for J&J. I want to buy more. Google, Microsoft, Walmart. I want to get back into Walmart. Tesco, Next Extra Energy, Enphase. All right, we got 50 people watching and we got 50 likes. Thank you. We get to 100 likes, we'll do another cash giveaway. S&P. These are all my positions. Meta. The Waltons selling Walmart, stay out. Is that right? Can someone confirm that? Can one of my researchers check that for me, please? Arnold the Palmer is actually not a YouTube member, so I can't take his word on that. You need to be a member for me to verify your statements. Is the Waltons family selling Walmart? I accept the Vorb lost. Gutting though. R33. I think you need to be out of it. It might go up because retail investors will get excited and go, oh, it's really cheap. It can go to the moon. Do not fall for that one. I'm smarter than all your members. I don't agree, Arnold, that you are not smarter than our members. The fact you're not a member shows you are not smarter than our members, because if you were smart, you would be a member, because you get 20 times back what you put in, and you don't do it. So you're not smarter than our members at all. There we go. Rivian is up 3.67. Rivian is firing off. I've got a small position. I am out. Apologies. Why are you apologizing for being out of Vorb? I'm right with you. I sold it last night, and I would not have lost any money. I sold it. I knew it was going to go down, and it did. Robinhood didn't let me down. In the after hours, the volume is low, and you sometimes, even if you set a limit order, it won't go, and then it dropped really quickly, and then you get left out. Even though I set my limit order to sell, which was lower than the current price, it didn't go through because of the market makers and the volume. I was absolutely spot on with what I called. Anyone who claims they're smart usually isn't. And I think one of the most important phrases to use in life, and I try to remind myself of this every day, the more I learn, I don't know. The more I learn, I don't know. So actually, if I do get smarter every day, I actually don't, because I learn more that I don't know. People who need to advertise their intelligence, wit or charm are typically lacking in all of them. Christopher Marantet came back to Arnold the Palmer. Very nice indeed. Yeah, Arnold, be careful on this channel. There we go. Awesome stuff. Become a member. Then we can take you more seriously, right? The S&P just dropping slightly. My overall portfolio. The S&P is dropping slightly after that little bounce. Virgin Galactic is now moving up slightly. It's not cheap enough for me. I'm sorry, but I'm going to wait for it to go lower. We've got a new subscriber. Thank you ever so much indeed. Welcome, everybody. If as you're watching this show, you can open another tab, and you want to be part of my my family and my army of Lucasades who are now driving up my first viral music posts. They are going viral now. Here is my YouTube playlist. Have it run in the background. You can listen to the music while you're watching this, or you can mute it and let it run. It helped my channel enormously. It's telling YouTube that people are actually clicking this playlist, and they're putting it on loop. I see people doing it all the time now, and it's telling YouTube that this content must be worth showing. So if you wouldn't mind, this is the YouTube playlist. If you click on it and click the loop, I'll show you how you do it. This is here it is now. This is the YouTube playlist. I'm now creating, I hope you agree, artistic covers like this. Very, very dramatic, theatrical stuff. I hope you think so. And what you do is you click play all like this. And then what you do then is you go and you click the loop button here. Can you see the loop button here at the top? Right at the top there. Click loop and it will play around. And not only will that get these videos to take off, you are helping my watch hours. We are now up to, an update for everybody, we are now up to 3,300 watch hours. So we're getting there, folks. We need to get to 4,000 watch hours. I hope you can help me with that endeavor. Otherwise, my channel could be demonetized just at the time when I'm starting to get some viral posts. So please, if you wouldn't mind, do that. It'd be great. Thank you so much. Bonus, we've got a guest here. Bonus Fish and Send is a guest. Please put your city and country in the chat, and everybody will welcome you in. We've also got Julie Argon is a guest of the channel. Please put your city and country. Would all my members please put your cities and countries in, and welcome all our guests into the family today. If you'd like to access Discord and talk to all our traders 24/7, here is our free link to Discord. There it is in the chat. All links are below the videos. And if you want to become a member of our channel, you can. And we give you 20 times back what we put in. That's a promise. I will demonstrate it on the channel. Many, many perks and benefits if you become a YouTube member. You can always cancel, but no one ever does. 95% of our viewers are members. Welcome from Belfast, United Kingdom. Right, I'm going to open up the broadcast lounge. For anybody that wants to call into the show, this is reserved for members only. Broadcast lounge on Discord is now open. Here it is. It's at the bottom left of the screen. If you want to call into the show, you can. And anyone who becomes a Discord member, come into the welcome all. You will be here, and I'll upgrade you if you become a YouTube member. Right. There you go. What did I tell you would happen to Virgin Galactic? There we go. There we go, folks. I said it. I'm sorry if anyone didn't take this, but I said that was going to happen. It's why I'm out. Virgin Orbit. And now here come the retail investors to start buying this. If you're going to buy a rocket company that can't fly for the next year, you must be mad, because you'll make no money for a year. Now, we might get a pump on this because a lot of people do it, and then they'll short it. We're not gamblers here. We're not interested in picking red over black. That's not what we do. All right? So anyway, it's up to you. I wouldn't do that. I think that's silly. In fact, I think it's more than silly. I think it's, I actually would say, I would be very strong and say it's actually stupid. Because if you buy a rocket company that cannot fly for a year, then you must be stupid. There it is. I said it. Okay. All right. Let me go back now. If we get 100 likes, we're going to do another cash prize giveaway. Let's see what we have right now. We have 60 people watching. Let's see if in 1 minute we can get 60. We get 60 likes. You ready? Okay. There's 53. We got 60 watching. Let's get 60 likes in 1 minute. This would be phenomenal. You ready? 1 minute from now. Let's do it. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said it, chicky, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up. 53 likes, 7 more likes in 1 minute. 54. If we get to 100 likes a day, we'll do another cash prize giveaway like yesterday. 55. Wow. It's only 8:45 in the morning Central Time, and we are now at 55 likes. Fantastic. 30 seconds to go. 56. Awesome stuff. Virgin Orbit is going sideways. People are buying it. I'm not. 20 seconds to go. Mr. Mini-Me, thank you. 56. We're nearly there. Let's get the timer off the screen. Awesome stuff. Very well done. 57. Fantastic. How many people are watching? Look at that. There's 58 watching and 57 likes. That's pretty amazing, right? Anyway, very, very good indeed. Thank you so much. Right, let's carry on going. You going on... You going to OT today? What's OT? You going to OT today? I have no idea what OT is. I see your beloved space rocket is literally a pile of junk. Paul B, you can't say that to me. You can't say that. You've missed the video. You've missed what I've been saying this morning. You can't say that. My views are very, very, very different this morning, and I've expressed it all. I'm not going to repeat it. You'll have to watch from the beginning of the video and last night's video as well. To give you a small indication, and if you'd like to make a... I can say that. I can say what I bloody like. You always tell me you can say what you want on your space. Well, I'm going to say what I like. He's right. Paul, go and check my Twitter, my last two posts. And just to give you an update, I do not troll anyone. I do not comment on anyone's posts, anyone's YouTube channels, Twitter accounts. I only have my views on my account. It's a policy I've always had. If it's positive, I will share it. I will comment to other people's posts. If it's negative, I don't. I only express it on mine. They come to me if they want to hear what I feel in a negative sense. Right, let's have a look. The S&P coming down. Great. Virgin Galactic coming down. 380. I'll have a nibble when it gets lower. Rivian coming down. Tesla coming down. Lots of opportunities lining up perfectly this morning. 59 likes. We're 59% of the way there. 6,029, 6,031. Every couple of minutes now, we seem to gain a subscriber. 24 hours a day on the channel. It's incredible. How many people have come through the stream already? 191 already. All we want is 200 a day. And so I'm very happy with that. Very happy with that. You still have shares in space? No. I sold it. Sold it for a profit. I have one. And Virgin Orbit, I've sold them all. I've seen your tweets, and in one you've said they show no respect to investors, so why should new people invest? They shouldn't. And I've been saying now they shouldn't. If you buy into Virgin Orbit today, you are stupid. Because the fact of the matter is, Virgin Orbit will not fly for a year. The investigation... you will basically parking your money in a stock for a rocket company that can't fly. And that is as sensible as buying a racehorse that cannot run a race for a year. If it goes up, it's because people are pumping it and dumping it. All the big whales left last night. All the big investors left last night. I'm nothing. I had just a couple of, $3,000 of it. And I left last night. And I would not have lost any money if it was not for the volume of the trades. I was already selling before it dropped, but I was caught by the volume. Otherwise, I would have lost no money. But I'm not buying it back this morning. Virgin Galactic is following suit, I'm afraid. It's probably next to fail. Vogues is next to fail. Vogues, cruises to me is a big waste of money. What's Vogues? Is that a correct? Did you spell that right? Just want to double check. 382. I'm not going to buy it here. No. Right. I've got some money to spend as an update, folks. So I did get some money. Oh, Old Trafford. That's what you were talking about. Old Trafford, OT, okay. Oh, Voyages, okay. Oh, I see, Voyages. Thank you very much. That is Richard Branson, yes, experiences. We've got Vogues coming in from church. Bit of Madonna. Caden, make sure you are here on Friday. I want to do something for you, a gift. I meant to do it last night, but I was unable. I will do it on Friday. The S&P is going down. Virgin Galactic is down 2.69, still going down. I'm not buying it, not yet. I don't even know if I want to buy it, to be honest, after last night. I think the Virgin brand has got a massive slap in the face, and I don't know what they're playing at. Elon Musk, I would imagine, would be sad for Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit. And I don't think for a minute he's rubbing his hands or anything like that at all, because that's irrelevant at all. But I do think he's probably shaking his head with the way they presented it. Anyway, how far will Virgin Galactic drop? Virgin Galactic could easily go to $2. Easily. Easily go to $2. You see how it keeps getting a little buy? That is retail investors trying. If it was whales, it would go up. It's retail investors having a nibble, trying to scalp trade and getting immediately wiped out. Watch it again. Watch it again. You get a little bit of an uptick there. Small amount of volume. It's not much volume on it. A little bit of trading going on. And straight away, look, there she goes down again. They lose. So don't be one of those guys today who get caught out. You need patience right now. There she goes again. Let's see. You need patience. There's a few weeks. There's a few weeks now potentially of stress for these stocks. Don't jump all over it. What are your CPI expectations for Thursday? CPI, of course, with my new fandangled app. 11th. I think you mean Wednesday. Tomorrow, I don't think you mean Thursday, Kiddie Kaza. I think you mean tomorrow. This is my new app I've got here for the inflation. CPI tomorrow, 7:30 tomorrow morning. Here it is. Tomorrow morning, we'll be covering the CPI. It's coming down. I think it's going to be great. Heading to recession, it's still coming down though. This is what we've got on the CPI. If we take a closer look, it's coming down tomorrow. I believe that. I think CPI is certainly coming down. That's good. Over the last 6 months, you can see where it peaked, and it's certainly been coming down now consistently. So that's all good. That's all good. But remember, the Fed aren't going to suddenly jump on it because the rates are coming down. But I do think the rates will come down tomorrow. And that is tomorrow, not Thursday. Right, Virgin Galactic, here we go. We got a buy-in now. This will be scalp traders. Now, I'm not going to jump in that because that is hardly a pump at all. People go, oh, it's pumping it. No, it's not. 382 to 387. You'd have to buy 2,000 shares of Virgin Galactic to sell that to make it worthwhile. It isn't worth it. I think that'll dump it in a second and go back down again. And scalp traders are just scalping it. So tell me what you think. Do you agree with that or not? Okay, we've got 60 likes now on the stream. Thank you very much indeed. If we get to 100 likes, we'll do another cash giveaway today. Subscribe and ring the bell if you've just tuned in. Smash the like button. I think the market is in for a shock Thursday. Nothing comes down in a straight line. No, it doesn't. I can play, and you're dead right there, 22. I can play YouTube videos 24/7, which equals 65,000 times a year. Thank you, Bill. I can see people doing it, by the way. So if you want to help my channel, my music channel grow, which supports this one, and each support each other, and help me not get demonetized, because I'm now at 3,300 watch hours. We need just 700 more watch hours. Here is my YouTube playlist. There it is. Let it run in the background, please. And I've just recorded some new music. This is it here. I hope you like it, by the way. Leave a comment below and make sure you obviously like the video. But there we go. I hope you like these new production videos. I'm really excited about making them like this. I'm really excited. I want to do one for Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius, I'm going to do one for you for the sound of silence. All right, so is Ed still in the chat? I'd like to know your thoughts on the sound of silence video I'm going to do. Anyway. Hang on a minute. Where's my mate Mike 5000? Here he is. Yeah, over 5,000 comments and likes and shares that Mike did to win the Fan of the Year 2022. Mike, I haven't forgotten you, by the way. Did you? Oh, Mike, let me just check. Did you not want? Because you sent me a message. I don't need a prize. I just want to make certain. I was making you a T-shirt or a fleece with the best trophy on it, with your name on it. Did you not want me to send that to you? Because that's what I was going to do. Just let me know, because that was your prize. I know he said I don't need a prize, or I don't know if he meant didn't need it or didn't want one. But let me know, because it's there. I will send it if you want it. But if you don't, then let me know. All right. Okay. S&P 500. Virgin Galactic. It's going back down again. See? It's being scalp traded. Straight away. No surprise. Virgin Orbit. Virgin Orbit's going up. I'm not buying that. I'm not buying that. It's a rocket company that can't fly for a year. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe there's people buying it. Okay. Whatever price is okay. Can you put... Yes, I will do it on the mug then. Mike. All right, Mike, I'll put it on the mug. Okay. Once I've finished it. Oh, thank you, Leah. Leah just brought in a cup of coffee. Fantastic. My mouth is so dry. No thanks necessary, Mike. You earned it 1,000 times over. Thank you so much. Thanks, Leah, says Mike. Yes. Oh, that's better. The coughing has slowed down a little bit now. Right. We're coming up to the hour. We've got day trader of the day as well today, of course. Tesla. I want to buy some more Tesla. Now then, I've now got, and I'm not eager to spend it. I don't have to spend it, remember. We've got $3,100 in my buying power. Remember, I earn 4% interest on uninvested cash. As long as I'm not a pattern day trader, which I am at the moment, which is not a problem. If you've got $25,000 in your brokerage account, doesn't matter. You can trade a billion times a day. It makes no difference. But you are a pattern day trader. Doesn't matter. So you don't earn any money on your cash sweeps until those 5 days clear away. So right now, I'm not earning any money on interest, but I will earn 4% soon. I've also got uninvested cash, $658 in my Roth IRA. So I'm not just jumping in ready to buy anything at willy-nilly, but I put $1,100 in my account this morning, which is why my overall balance is now $34,000 because I've added to my position, getting a 1% match. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to max out my Roth IRA for 2022, $7,000, and then my next $7,000 is going to go to my Roth IRA 2023. So I'm going to get 1% free money from Robinhood for doing so. Would be absolutely stupid not to. And then buy stocks with the money that I can keep permanently, that I can hold for 10 years. And the S&P 500 is obvious because it will be here in 10 years. It's not going to go bankrupt. It can't go bankrupt. It will be up. The dividends will be manually invested, not automatically invested, because I want to buy on the dips, not on the pumps, obviously. And that's how we're going to play that. All right. We've got 62 likes now on the show. If we get to 100 likes, we're going to do another cash prize giveaway. Let's have a look. Leah employed full-time or part-time? Leah has a full-time job. Why do you ask that? There we go. I think CPI will be higher than the market expects. Do you? Okay. Well, if the CPI rate does go up and the market crashes, I'm ready with cash to deploy. If it goes down and the market bounces, I'm in the market. So either way, I'm happy. I don't mind what happens. And that's where your portfolio should be, so you are in a position like that. Is that your VORB refund? It bloody well should be, because Robinhood didn't mess it up. It's the system. The system messed it up, and it's my fault, because I know that in the after hours there is a low volume, so it's hard to get out, and that's what happened. Martyn, why don't you make a rule with yourself to save $1,000 a month as a war chest for some big drops? Okay. Well, I've told you live on the show, I'm going to bring in $2,000 a month into my portfolio. And that's not a bad idea. 22, let me consider that. Paul B, even though you called me an arse kisser, yes. Yeah, that was funny. Paul B, 100%, yeah. Morning, says Flutter Edits. Flutter Edits, we've got lots of guests. Here. I'd like to encourage our guests, because we are very proud that we have 95% of our live viewers are members. It's the highest engagement rate on YouTube. Consider becoming a member. Here is our YouTube membership. You get 20 times back what you put in. One, I will reply to all your comments on YouTube. You can have a poll in the chat. There are exclusive content that only members see on the homepage of the YouTube channel. There are members only videos. Look, only members get to see these. There's the You're the Best video with Mike. Behind the scenes in Cornwall in England at Virgin Orbit Space Station. Look, there I am, Virgin Orbit. Members only videos. Members only live chats. Members only events. We also have the Day Trader Convention, where we're going to New Mexico. That's the plan at the moment. Also, you have fundraisers I can do for you, and also I do celebrate your birthdays. So consider becoming a member. Here, once again, is the invitation to join. And also, here is the Discord link. We'd like to get you on Discord. We only need 20 more people to access Discord. You can speak to our top traders and investors 24/7. And we can upgrade your account to become full member if you are a YouTube member. But 20 more members to get a public server. We need 20 more members to reach 500 to become a public server. Anyway, you might have a tax advantage for your IRA since you are married. Not sure if you file jointly. Yes, we do file jointly. Were you joking, or are they not going to fly for? I was absolutely serious. They can't fly. It will take ages. It will take an eternity for Virgin Orbit to fly again. It will take an absolute age for Virgin Orbit to fly again. They need to be investigated. Remember the danger to public. The rocket didn't make its way into orbit correctly. It could have fallen into the sea. Anything could have happened. They will be under investigation. Remember, they haven't flown for, I don't know, was it nearly a year? They delayed. They've had 2 failures now. This is the second one. So don't expect Virgin Orbit to be flying tomorrow. If you think that, I'm sorry, that's not how rocket companies work. They would like to. Of course they would, but that won't happen. The consumer price index will be released at 7:30 tomorrow morning, my time, on Thursday. On Thursday, it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. It's tomorrow. CPI is out tomorrow. I don't know why you're saying Thursday. It's tomorrow. By the 1,000, I mean invest the rest as you wish, but build up some firepower by saving 1,000 a month in cash. You can then pile in on the real drops. I'm not quite sure. The information I have is tomorrow, and that's all my sources. Mario, Forbes CEO. We get up, we go back, we try again. That's what defines us. He told, that's all very well and good. That's all very well and good. That's nice rah-rah. We don't want rah-rah. We want facts. That's rah-rah for the investors who've already sold. That's not true at all. Have Robinhood made their minds up on being available in the UK yet? No, it's coming, and they are going global. It's going to happen, and you'll be the first to know. My suspicion is they are struggling with the regulatory requirements. UK much stricter with how client cash assets are ring-fenced than the US. True. Thursday, Martin. So why am I getting this then? Everyone is now telling me it's Thursday. Let me share with you what I have here. Wednesday, tomorrow. Let me have a look. Right, let me share this with you. And this is in several sources I've got this. So I'm very confused. Look. This is the core inflation, 11th of January, which is tomorrow. I don't know then. That's what it says here. That's what it says on Market Watch. That's what it says on several of my sources that I use. I will check that then. I don't know why that's inaccurate. Bit confusing. Anyway, I will... maybe the app is faulty. I don't know. In fact, that's strange. Aha, hang on. That's interesting. Look at this. I might have detected a bug in this app. Look, when I click Wednesday, it shows Tuesday. When I click Thursday, it shows Wednesday. So it is showing Thursday at the top. Can you see in the app? It's showing Thursday, which is what you guys are saying, and it's showing the CPI for Thursday, even though it's showing the 11th of January, which is Wednesday. So I think this app has a bug. Chris, can you sort it out? There we go. We've discovered a bug on that app. Okay. Back to our main portfolio, and let's see where we are right now. This is my position. Your ideas on Lucid. Telmo Pyers. Telmo Pyers is a guest here. Consider becoming a member. If you are a member of our channel, I can make a video on Lucid for you. I can review the stock for you, plus all the other perks and benefits. I have to focus on my members' questions. If there's no questions from my members, then I can come back to you. But there's the invitation to join. I can review it, and I do have Lucid, a small position at the moment. I'm looking to build it. There is my Lucid position. I took profits on it, and I'm waiting to buy it back lower. Okay. Look at the trading economics, Martin, for data. Thank you for that. I've got that. I will go to that. Let me look at the Fed webs. Yeah, I think I've sold it now. Church, December 22, CPI data, which we said on January 12th. Yes, Fusion 301. It looks like this app has a bug, but we've shown you how it is. What the heck, says Flutter Edits. Never saw that. BTC 100 grand in 2023. Julie Argon, we don't do stuff like that on our show. Everything is real, honest, genuine. We don't pump or anything or make harebrained predictions. There it is. The only people that will tell you that Bitcoin is going to 100 grand are the YouTubers who make thousands of dollars a video to tell you that, and they don't care whether it does or doesn't. And then the next time they'll come on their YouTube channel with another story, and there'll be another 100,000 people who watch it, and they'll make another 10 grand a video. And that's how much they make. I am not, however, making those predictions because nobody knows. Bitcoin, I own some. Here it is on my ledger. It's worth $637 right now. I sold most of it, and I'm buying it when it goes lower. But at the end of the day, nobody knows it's going to 100 grand this year. That is just guessing and hopery and YouTube promotion. Bitcoin doesn't make or do anything. Even though I own some, it doesn't make or do anything. So it doesn't force itself to make a gain. Like Tesla sells cars, makes profit, the share price has to go up ultimately long term. Bitcoin doesn't have to go up. Oh, and that reminds me, talking about crypto, we're going to cover that point now. The best thing I said for crypto was FTX, was Sam Bankman-Fried, who belongs in jail. And the reason why I said it was the best thing is because many people then got fearful of crypto exchanges, which they should be, and they put it on their ledgers. There's my ledger. All right, there's my ledger. Anyway, my money is sat on my ledger. All right? And I said the best thing to happen to Bitcoin is Sam Bankman-Fried, which it is. Because what has happened is people have bought ledgers, transferred their Bitcoin, which means they don't trade it anymore. They can't be bothered. It just sits there. That's good. That makes the value go up. I also said, and this is sad to say, on the news this morning, we learned that Ali Tisro has lost his seed phrase. $30,000 of crypto is locked up on his ledger or whatever wallet he's got. Shows you what I was talking about. People will lose their seed phrases. People will forget. They will lose their ledgers, their wallets. And there'll be money locked up forever that will never get sold, which means crypto will go up. That's the best thing that can ever happen. The best thing that can ever happen to crypto is everybody tomorrow loses their seed phrases. That's the most influential thing that can happen to crypto. That's right. Influencers are garbage. Yeah, I'm not an influencer, even though I'm categorized as one. I am here to invest my own money. I'm here to grow a family. I'm here to grow a community to be the most real, best YouTube channel in the world. If I then become an influencer by default, or I become whatever, that's a side thing. That isn't why I'm here. Maybe 2024 on the block halving, but 100 is still it's just a guess. Sam Bankman-Fried does all that, does what all of them do on a daily basis. He pissed off the wrong the wrong sod. hands Ali a tissue. Yeah. Simple. Make multiple copies of your seeds, says Paul B. That's why I don't lock my coins. Church, only yourself to blame if you lose it. Paul B, be sensitive, mate. Ali Tisro's lost $30,000. All right. We're human beings. Human beings make mistakes all the time. I have joined your live, like you said, the Stock Investor. Thank you very much indeed. How are you today? Over there on TikTok. This is the Stock Investor. He's over there on TikTok. You can see him here. Look, if I bring him on the screen, this is the Stock Investor. Watching me on TikTok. Oh, hang on a minute. There's Jason. What's going on there? Let me come back into there. There we go. Don't know why that shut down. You'll see the stock investor appear on the screen. There he is. Oh, he just disappeared there for a minute. Oh no, that's Train Purnell. There he is on the screen. I don't know if you can see that, but I invited him to join. Apparently, I have to say I'm sorry I forgot, but it's mainly YouTube I want people to join me on. There he is. Train Purnell was the stock investor a few moments ago. In fact, that's weird. On my phone, you're Trey Purnell. On there, you're the stock investor. That's bizarre. Anyway, lots of hindsight advice here. That's not very supportive. Exactly. One of our members, our most supportive members, lost $30,000, and he has lost $30,000 because if he can't find his seed phrase, he can't get his money out ever. Right. S&P is going up. I bought some this morning, made an investment in my Roth IRA. I'm very happy with that. My portfolio looking nice. We're making back our losses from yesterday's debacle with Virgin Orbit. If you look now into my Roth IRA, it's making up my losses. You see I'm down $15. I'm down. That's the losses I made on Virgin Orbit. But you can see Coinbase and my VU is up. You see that, look? So I've made it back with an investment that actually will guarantee a return. So I'm down $16. Let's see if I can go positive today despite Virgin Orbit bringing down my Roth IRA. There we go. You make it back. Make it back, invest it, not gamble it. I'm in inverse on S&P. I'm in inverse on S&P. Says Flutter Edits. Ali Tisro, keep buying 23. We both know the bull run will come. Running up the halving. The trend is your friend. My overall portfolio is doing nicely now. We've made the right investments this morning. We've protected our portfolio. We've got money in cash earning 4%. We've got our money going up in our portfolio. We've got our Roth, which gave us free money this morning. The S&P is going up again. Virgin Galactic, be very careful if anyone buys this. Virgin Orbit, very, very careful. Let me check the volume. The average volume is 381. It's 258 today, which is about on trend for this time, to be honest. So it's not less volume today. Lot of retail investors thinking, hey, I can buy Virgin Orbit cheap. It's not cheap. It's not cheap. It loses money and now it can't fly for a year. Are you barking bonkers mad? Anyway, it's time to run a commercial break. I just missed one. I was too nice to you guys. We're now at 476 on Discord. If anyone here would like to sign up for Discord, we need just 20 or so to go to get to 500, just over 20, is it 24? There we go. There's our Discord channel. Right. I need to go and run a commercial break. So let's go over here. Bring everybody up to date. We've got Day Trader of the Day as well coming up. So let's do that right now. Be right back in 10 seconds from now. You can sponsor this space if you are a YouTube member and you go for the membership plan, which is $99 a month. You can get your logo, information, and links below the videos in that space there. 20 platforms live every day, 10 hours a day, and you are the only one, so you'll get all the advertisement at the moment. You're only paying for one a day at the moment. You are getting all of those spots. Bill is going for Fan of the Day again over there on TikTok. By the way, of course, we are now running our Year 2 2023 Fan of the Year to find out who wins this year. So there he is. There's Bill. Look, he's doing the roses. Doing the roses. CPI tomorrow from Portugal. Anthony Mallion. CPI tomorrow from Portugal. Is that Portugal as in Portugal, Lisbon? I'm just trying to translate if that's a spelling mistake. I don't know. Okay. Mike 5000 will be 2 in a row. Where we'll see. We're getting a lot more fans, a lot more dedicated people joining our family every day. No one's become a member today. That's unusual. It's been very quiet on memberships for the last couple of days. We're 150 members now to our channel. Nicky Boy Gaming is here. I've been waiting for you to come back. Nicky Boy Gaming is here. I want to do something for Nicky Boy Gaming. I said I would, so I promised I would, and I'm going to do exactly that. So, Nicky Boy Gaming is in the house. He's on the homepage of my YouTube channel. The reason why I want to do something especially for Nicky Boy Gaming is quite simple. He doesn't watch our show a great deal. He's busy doing other things. However, he's a gold member. He pays as a gold member to support our channel. And he's always active on our Discord. He's always live doing his DJ stuff on TikTok and YouTube and all that stuff. And I want to thank my gold members. My gold members, or all my members, are so important. So, I am going to ask all of you right now. Nicky Boy Gaming has 76 subscribers to his YouTube channel. He's a gold member. He supports our channel. 3rd highest level you can do. There is Nicky Boy Gaming's channel. Would everybody go and make one of our family members famous here on the show live right now? I'm going to give it 1 minute. There are 45 watching. Let's get every single person to click on a subscriber for Nicky Boy Gaming. Let's help him out. He supports our channel as a gold member regularly. He's been a gold member now for like 3 months. And your badge, Nicky Boy Gaming, will be turning yellow soon. Right, let me refresh the screen. Has everyone done it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 76. I want him to get into 100 so he can go live. 76 is now 77. We can do better than that. We can do better than that. Come on, guys. Let's get him to 80 subscribers. Everybody, come on. We help everybody out. Everybody helps everyone. If you help him out, I'll help you out. We all help everybody out. I want to get Nicky Boy Gaming to 100 subscribers so he can go live on his YouTube channel. All right? The S&P. Virgin Galactic, back down again. Scalp trade heaven right now if you want to jump in this. Right, I'm going to check now. It was at 76. We got him to 77. I want to get him to at least 78. Come on. 76, 77, and 78. Okay. I think we got most of you have already subscribed to him. But I'll do that again, Nicky, on another day when we've got a lot of new people in here. That'd be amazing. I know, Nicky, I know what you want. You want to go live. You've got 78 subscribers now. You gained 2 more. And I'm sure you might gain a few more during the show. And as a gold member, folks, go and check out Nicky Boy Gaming's channel. All our silver and gold members are below on our YouTube channel down here. And there are more just by clicking the members. Okay? Back to our investment right now. Great, says Christopher. Now let's bump my watch hours. 80 now? Oh, did we do it? I don't believe it. Did we get Nicky Boy Gaming to 80? That was my target. Nicky Boy Gaming, 79. Someone said 80. Someone said 80. You got me to look for no reason. Oh, it's 79. What's going on? Help your friend grow the channel. Indeed. Max H. Right. Here we go. The S&P 500 is up 0.25%. Virgin Galactic. Scalp trading right now. Virgin Orbit. Thank you so much. It's my pleasure. Thank you for all your support. And remember, guys, a lot of people pay to advertise their videos on YouTube. Do not do that. It's better for you to become a YouTube member of my channel because I will get you real subscribers, real views, real watch time, real engagement, real comments for less money than you will pay to bots, and you get everything else with your membership as well. So if you are a YouTuber, I want to get to 1 million subscribers on my YouTube channel so I can help loads of people grow, make money, be successful, and so on. The bigger I get, the bigger we all get together. All right? Virgin Orbit. It's slowly coming up. I'm not buying it though, folks. I'm not buying it. Rivian. Tesla. I want a nice little dip. Lucid. Apple. Amazon. Up today, 3%. I'm just 10% out of the money now. Amazon has been a great buy for me. Very, very nice indeed. McDonald's. Doing well. Coca-Cola. Expensive. But I want to buy Coca-Cola as well for my Roth IRA. Remember what I told you? I want the S&P 500, Coca-Cola, Google, I think, as well. And some Tesla. So I'm looking for some dips in those stocks to buy into my Roth IRA and hold for 10 years to retirement age. Walmart. We had no confirmation about the Walton family selling Walmart from Arnold the Palmer. That never happened, did it? I could promote you on my Facebook page as that's been growing for the past 3 days. Halfway to 1,000. Thank you very much, Nicky Boy Gaming. As a gold member, I follow all your social media. All you've got to do is follow me, and I follow you back. I only follow my members. The reason for that is so I can engage in you. I don't follow everybody for the sake of it. That would be silly. Look how Meta has done well. Remember I told you Meta was the best value stock on the stock market? It is, and it's proved it. Let's check now. We've got, how many have we got watching right now? We've had 250 come through the stream, which I would say is a record for this time of day. Absolutely fantastic. Do you like my TikTok? I've not even looked at it. Ali Tisro. I've not looked at it. What is the name of the channel? What's the name of the channel? I'll look there now. If you follow me, I follow you back. Give me the name of the channel. I'll put it in now. If I've not, the London Duck. So let me have a look. I'm just doing this now for Ali Tisro. The London Duck. Search. Is that you at the top? Is that you at the top? It's not that good. Was just wondering. You followed me and I followed you. I've not followed you on the Martyn Lucas channel. Was it this one here? Is that the one? Is that you, Ali Tisro? Yes. Okay, I'll follow you from my music channel. There we go. Here's Ali Tisro, about to get famous on the telly. Is that you, Ali? That's Ali Tisro. Look at that. What's all this about? What is all that about? Ali Tisro, the London Duck. Oh, I've seen a few of these posts. Where have I seen this? Is it on Twitter? This has popped up. Oh my gosh. I'm a duck. There we go. Oh my gosh. Ali Tisro, what are you like? We've got a number one. We've got a fan over on TikTok at the moment. I can see why you pay $30,000 a year now. I like it. Don't be so smart as you are. I like it. I like it. All right, let's. We've got a bit of a war going on TikTok. Someone trying to become my top viewer. There you go. You're live on YouTube and 20 different platforms right now from Sweden. Wow, there you go. While is trying to become my number one viewer. Got nearly 5,000 likes now. He's trying to beat. Bill on the top spot. Ali Tisro often wins on TikTok, by the way, I'm just saying. SpaceX bragging they deployed satellites last night on Twitter. Driving the knife in deeper. Yes, I would imagine. I saw that. Let's check our positions right now. Waiting to buy some more. 6,031 subscribers today. Thank you very much indeed. And the 64 likes. If we get to 100 likes, we will do a cash giveaway. 64 likes right now. If we get to 100, we'll do a cash prize giveaway like yesterday. Right. It's half the hour. Time for a quick commercial break. Perfect. S&P is going down exactly as I thought it would and hoped it would. You can sponsor this space if you are a YouTube member and you are a sponsor level. You can sponsor this space and have your commercial played to 20 platforms 20 times a day at the moment, as you'll be the only sponsor there. When is the Powell party? Powell, there's no Powell speech today, not publicly anyway. We got some breaking news here in the United Kingdom.
To our viewers exactly why
we got a coal mine standoff. Climate activists are trying to block machinery from cleaning an abandoned village in Germany for the expansion of a coal mine. This is breaking news now. The FTSE is down 0.35. The pound is now worth $1.21.
Why we're here, and you were talking about
bit of drama going on there on Sky News. Thank you very much. Let me see if we've got any news for you today on Bloomberg. Nothing coming up exciting. Wahid has just become Wahid was on TikTok some moments ago. And he's just become a subscriber here on TikTok, on YouTube. Wahid has just become the #1 fan. Oh, Bill. Wahid Hydri from Sweden has just become my #1 fan on TikTok. Thank you ever so much, Wahid. And now you are a subscriber on YouTube as well. Thank you very much indeed for joining me. That's right. The police don't have guns in the UK either. We don't need them. We don't need everyone running around with guns. We don't need it at all. And I hope it stays that way. Well, it will stay that way. We won't have guns in England. We had a mass shooting. Remember, we had guns in England just like America did 100 years ago. All right? Everyone had guns 100 years ago, and we had a massacre. Some children shot in a school, and overnight the British government said, "Hand in your guns." Everyone handed their guns in, other than a few criminals, of course. And then from that day forward, we do not have people. We're not allowed to have guns unless we are farmers or in the army or stuff like that. People don't just run around with guns like they do in America. It doesn't happen in the UK. All right. The amount of shootings that we get in the UK in 10 years is what you get in a day in Chicago. So anyway, enough said. We'll move on from that. Our police don't walk around with guns. We don't need it. Clockwork, they don't play over there. I like it. You're starting to grow fast. Going to take over me soon. Shad. How many YouTubers you got, Shad? Are you a member? Are you a member, Chad? Yeah, of course he's a bloody member. Shall we promote your YouTube channel? Lisa, please have no guns. Indeed. That's right. He's on both like me. What do you think of the Virgin Orbit rocket failed? Oh, we discussed it this morning, big time. We spent the first half an hour discussing it, Nikki. I can't repeat it now, though. We've moved on from that one. Top man, says Paul B. Yeah. We ain't standing for that, are we, Bill? What's going on? Hang on. What's going on? I've got a bit of a battle breaking out over on TikTok. Malk says we're not standing for that, are we, Bill? Wahid Hydri from Sweden is now my number one fan. Let's have a look. I'll keep my eye on there, see if anything else happens. Ali Tisra often comes in and just blows it all up. That will never happen in America. No, it won't. You're absolutely right. When I first came to America, I actually thought the gun laws might change, but now I've come to realise that will never happen in America. America will always have guns. People will always shoot people. Politicians will come out and say it's terrible, and a week later everybody will forget and go back to shooting each other again. I'm sorry to say that seems to happen over and over again. It will never change. It's just the way it is in America. Don't know why. Anyway, I have 4 guns, but I have a license. There we go. It says Ali Tisro. Ali Tisro. So people in England can get guns, but it's very, very different. People don't walk around with guns. There's no open carry. No one's. I don't know. I don't know anybody. 99% of people live in England and Great Britain do not own a gun. Okay, whereas in Texas, everybody owns 10 guns, including machine guns. Right. Liverpool equals guns, says Paul B. The criminals, Paul. It's very important that you clarify what you're saying. There are Americans listening thinking everyone in Liverpool has a gun. They don't. Some criminals in Liverpool will have a gun, and if they get found with their guns, they get taken away. People do not walk around with guns in Liverpool. I'll make absolutely clear on that. 6,500 on Facebook. Oh, I see. Congratulations, Shad. Very proud of you, mate. You've worked very hard for that. You do great streams. I've seen them. I've got 2 guns, 1 on each arm. Boom, boom. What if you live in a remote area? Isn't it necessary to have some protection? No. I live in a village in Cornwall and not one single person in the village has a gun. I can tell you that for a fact. There you go. Church. For my farm, I'm allowed a shotgun and a rifle. There you go. He's not allowed a machine gun. And he's a farmer. Very, very different. What we don't have is automatic weapons. I mean, what is the logic of owning an automatic weapon other than in a war? Correct. We're not going to start that, though. Anyway, we're not going to get into that too much. It's a very controversial subject here in the US. Oh, we've got a war kicking off. We've got Joseph with proper. We've got it was number 2 there for a moment. YouTube, subscribe, please. Okay. Wahil, if you're after some support for your YouTube channel, if you come into YouTube and you become a YouTube member. If you're a silver member, I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel, and on members' days, I will get everyone to subscribe to you, and they will. All right? So, anyway, consider that. Consider that. We have a lot of guns up here in Canada for some reason. We just apologise to our neighbours instead of plugging them full of lead. There we go. People kill people. Guns don't kill people, says Mario Ortiz. Yes, it's very well regulated. The police come to my house every 2 years to make sure it's stored well and that we have a good mental health and other checks. There you go. Mind you, Ali, I've seen you walking around as a duck. I don't know now. I'm not quite sure. We are all knowledgeable and mature enough for these discussions. Yes, we are. Did my first day trade of the day. Flutter Edits, congratulations. What did you do? Did you make any money? I'm assuming you did. Okay, we're getting lots of comments now. I can't keep up with all the comments. I might have to go to members only live chat in a minute. We're getting very busy on the comments, and if that's the case, I will go over to live members. I will go to members only live chat. In fact, I can see now that we're having a gun discussion, and that's fine. That is absolutely fine. So what I'm going to do, the members want to express that. So we're now going to switch over to becoming a members only chat. So only members will be able to chat in a few moments' time. Who can send messages? Just members. We're about to update it. So if you want to become a member and get involved in our debate, you need to be a member in the next few seconds, okay? We have now, there we go. It's members only chat right now. So if you want to be a member to our channel, if you want to... there you go. So I apologise for 22, because 22 is a very passionate supporter of our channel, so it's unable to be a member. But I need to calm down the chat right now, because I need to see everyone's comments. I want to share everyone's comments. Moderators can also be seen. Chris, you can be seen. You are a moderator. So 22... I'm going to make you a temporary moderator because I respect your contributions to our channel. 22, I've just made you a moderator, a temporary moderator. We've got enough moderators. So you can now, in fact, I might even leave it. We will see. So 22, you can now comment. You are a moderator in my channel now. You can send links into the channel. You can moderate. I might remove it after because I have to balance it all out. But for now, it's there because 22 is a very loyal member of our family. I know he can't be a YouTube member because of his location, but there we go. The Martyn Lucas channel, where every chatter is a moderator. No, we have very few moderators. All right. You can have too many moderators. We had too many at one point before, but we don't now. So anyway, if anyone wants to join into our conversation, now as it's members only, we can have a gun debate. In fact, I invite it. What do you think? In England, we don't have the gun. In fact, no country has the gun issues, gun crime and murders like you have in America. No country in the world has numbers even close, not even 1% of what you have in America. And we are going to we're going to rule out terrorist states. We're not talking about terrorist states where terrorists run the country. That doesn't count. So we're not interested in, well, they have more shootings in Somalia or Mogadishu. We're not doing that. They are run by gangs and terrorists. So we're not doing that. We are comparing to other countries. So we do have now a debate going on for our members only. If you wish to be joining with that debate, you need to be a member of our channel. Okay, now it's members only, and you can have your say, whatever you want to say right now. Okay. S&P has dropped. My portfolio is down 2%, mainly because of Virgin Orbit, I'm afraid, until we make that up. Right, the S&P 500 is going back down again. It's exactly what I want it to do. I want to take some profits. Oh, we got some excitement on TikTok. Look at that. We've got some excitement. We've got number one fans. Andy is just one number one fan of the day. Look at that. Andy's got a gifter badge. Fantastic. Look at that. Pokemon Power is absolutely smashing it. That's Andy, who's winning over and over again. Look at this, folks. We've got nearly 10,000 likes now. And Andy Power, Pokemon Powers, has just got into the lead on TikTok. I don't think anyone's going to catch him now. It's me, Andy Grady. Andy Grady, you've absolutely crushed it over on TikTok. I think... Andrew Grady, if I can get you Pokemon Powers. Right. Andy. Your Pokemon powers, right? I have just made you a moderator on my TikTok channel. I've just made you a moderator on my TikTok channel because you've been extremely loyal and supportive and great as a moderator. You are now a moderator on my channel. All right? Incredible stuff. Right. Virgin Galactic is going back down. There's the scalp trading we were talking about. I'll catch you in a while. Nicky Boy Gaming, congratulations. You got more subscribers. Okay, mate, I'll do my best. Thank you so much indeed. I know you will. I want to thank. I want to thank to drive the US crush the disres. I want to tank. Says Mike. I want to tank. I want to tank as well. Can't afford the gas though. Martin making the peas. Making the peas. What's the peas? What's the peas? I can't believe. Andy, look at this. Is absolutely killing it. Wahid is now number 2 from Sweden. Andy from Cornwall has just beaten Sweden. It's 1-0 to Sweden. Sorry, to England. Cornwall over Sweden. Look at that. 7,000 likes now. Awesome stuff. Okay, the overall portfolio is going down. Let's check our situation right now. 67 likes. We didn't quite get 100 likes, which means we haven't yet got... we can't do a cash giveaway. 100 likes, we give a cash giveaway. Right, we've got Day Trader of the Day coming up right now. So let me just bring everybody up to date with a commercial break, and then we'll have Day Trader of the Day. Okay, so here we go. Be right back in 10 seconds from now. Wahid is now number 2, catching up to Andy from Sweden. Here we go. Be back in 10 seconds from now. You can sponsor this space if you are a YouTube member. Sponsorship level, your advert commercial will be in this space 20 times a day, 20 different platforms at the same time. There we go. Quick, Mike, 5,000. Get over TikTok. They're stealing your thunder. Spire's basically done what you did yesterday. Started off well. Yes. Been sold off again. I can't believe I've never seen anything like it. What's happening right now with Andy. It's just absolutely going nuts. The love that's coming in from Andy is just off the charts today. He's number 1. Wahid is catching up though, but quite incredible scenes over there on TikTok. It's all exploding right now. He's got no competition. Ali Tisro, give him a run for his money. Vanguard S&P. Virgin Galactic, scalp trading going on here this morning. Virgin Orbit, it's raised a little bit, but I'm not going to touch it. I don't like TikTok, Paul B, says Mike. Just sending my Coinbase profits over. I love it. Oh, we got to do something for Andrew Grady. Are you a silver member? Do you have a YouTube channel you wish me to promote? I want to promote your, if you do have something to promote. And of course, if you're a silver member, we do a fundraiser for you as well. No, Ali, I can't afford that. Not Ali, I can't afford that. Rivian, Tesla is climbing up. Our channel is growing very quickly this morning on TikTok. Tesla. It's getting cheaper for me. I want to buy some more Tesla in my Roth IRA. So let me have a quick look at what I can buy this morning. The overall portfolio is down. S&P. Virgin Galactic, I'm not buying that yet. Virgin Orbit, not buying that yet. Rivian, it's an all-time low. Rivian, I'm going to set some buy orders at my all-time lows. So Rivian, 1584. What's my lowest I've ever bought it for? 16.79. 16.79. This isn't an all-time low for me, so I'm going to buy a little bit of Rivian. Not in my long-term position, in my brokerage account, limit order. 16.50. Oops, 16.50. Just going for 16.23. Shares. $10. 16.23. Small position there with Rivian. Review the order. $10 shares purchased at 16.19. That's pretty good. I actually got it lower, which was nice. Thank you. The market makers are paying me back for last night's debacle. Right, small position, just 5% down. I like that. Okay, let's have a look. Let's go to Tesla. Tesla's now at 116. My all-time low on Tesla is 108. We've been lower, 103 in fact. Yes, 108, 103. I sold it. I sold my Tesla. I made a profit on Tesla. I sold 4 shares at 121. So we are below that. We are below that. I'm going to hold. I'd like to get a bit cheaper. Save some money for Thursday, Martin. Just jumped on. Where are you on Tilray? I'll come to it now. Tesla, I am going to... I'm going to go into my brokerage account, my Roth IRA, and buy a Tesla. It's a long-term position at this price. Buy Tesla, a limit order, limit price. I'm going to buy one, and this is my long-term investment. Okay, 116.40. Just put it. It doesn't matter. One share. Good for the day. 116. It will go through. Buying power in my Roth IRA. Long term. I won't be selling it at this price. I'll be keeping it for 5 years. Okay, and I'll add to it when it gets lower. So this is one market share, Tesla, 116. Let me just double check. Remember what I said, 120 then sell. Not selling, this is my Roth. This is holding for 5 years. There we go. That's in my Roth IRA. I'm not going to sell that. I'm going to hold it for a minimum of 5 years. Andy is now number 1 on TikTok, by the way. There he is. Andy is now number 1, our new moderator, and he's now number 1 on TikTok. So that's a long-term position now in my Roth IRA. And if I go over to my Roth, I'll show you what I mean. Still got plenty of buying power. Go into my Roth, and my Roth is now climbing. I'm holding the Tesla share. There we go. As you can see, 1 share at $116. Okay, I will add to that when it goes low. I'll set some buy orders to constantly add at lower prices because we've got another 2 or 3 months of a bear market, I predict. But I'm glad to see my Roth IRA is going up. Remember, this is matched money. I get free matched money from Robinhood. I hold it. I'm not touching it, and that's good. Right, moving on. Lucid. My average is 626. We're at 682. We're up right now. This could go a lot lower before I need to buy any more. I like Lucid, but I'm not going to... This won't be a Roth IRA. This will be a trade. And I will buy it when it goes lower. Apple, 128. Now then, Apple is a long-term investment. If we step back over 5 years, as you can see where we are, it's still expensive, but Apple is a good buy. Remember what I said, you don't need to be invested just because you have cash. Wait for the dip. That's why I only bought one. That's why I only bought one. Why do you think Thursday? You already have 17. Yes, this is my... You already have 17% in Apple. This is my investment. This is my trading account. My Roth IRA, however, I would like... It's down 23% this year. I think it could go lower, so I'm going to wait. This is to add to my Roth position. Okay, long-term investing. Price match, 1% matching. Amazon is too expensive. Again, another long-term investment. McDonald's, still too expensive. Coca-Cola. Now, this is absolutely 100% a long-term investment. So with Coca-Cola, even though it's a little bit expensive now, I don't care. I'm going to my Roth and putting my market share in. I'm putting buy one Coke, one into my Roth, just one as a market share. It'll earn the dividend and I will hold it for 5 years. I'll hold it forever, okay? Just one, and I'll buy it when it goes cheaper. This is just to set myself a marker. So I just need to buy it. Doesn't matter. Buy one, 62.41. And there we go. That's in my Roth. That'll just sit there forever. The bigger the risk, the bigger the gain. J&J is also one I want to put in for long-term investing. We're up 4%. I will wait for a little bit of a drop. Sold all my Coinbase today. I'm holding that Coinbase share you gave to me forever. In the Roth, I am. Google. It's a good value stock right now. It's 17 times earnings. You're right, we could get a lower price. But it's very low over the 3 months, over the year. But I'm going to wait for that one. Microsoft, that's going up a bit. Walmart, like to get... I wouldn't... I'm not sure I don't know Walmart long term. I'm practically out of everything now. Next Extra Energy, up. Would you consider selling your whole portfolio and waiting? And no. No, I wouldn't. That's not the way for me. Meta, I was dead right with Meta, wasn't I? Remember, I had it under $100. Rio Tinto, Ford down, but rising back up again. Canoe, IonQ, SoFi. All of those companies I'm out of at the moment. Right, that'll do for a minute. That'll do. That's what I feel comfortable with. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's see how we did today. We've had 307 people through the stream. Absolute fantastic, by the way. 308. You can't see it. I can't zoom in for some reason. It's not. Sometimes it doesn't work. But anyway, let's have a look at my subscribers. 6,031. Oh, I've not gained any more. Never mind. How many people are in the stream right now? There are 48, 69 likes. If we get to 100 likes by the end of the show, there's a cash prize giveaway. Oh, we're at 70 likes now. Fantastic. Just 30 more to go, and we'll do a cash prize giveaway. There it is. We might do it. I doubt it, though, in the next few minutes. But you never know. It's possible. Anything's possible. Right. Let's do a quick, bring everybody up to date with the commercial break. And then, of course, we've got Day Trader of the Day. Be right back in just a few seconds from now. Okay, here we go. You can sponsor this ad if you are a YouTube member and you become a member on the sponsorship level. You can sponsor this space. You can be here 20 times a day over 20 different platforms. Fantastic value for money. Plus links below our videos as well. Okay. Right, we'll do Day Trade of the Day. Now, before I go, going to get you to 10,000 likes on TikTok. Let's have a little look. Let's go over to TikTok and have a quick look. We've got our army of Lucasades over there. If you use hashtag Lucasades, 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 you are part of our, if you like, fan club, the Lucasades. You can hashtag that, and you'll see that appears on top of videos and on Twitter and so on. And we are... How's your VORB today, your resonance? I sold my VORB. It was a disaster. Did you not watch our show last night? Absolutely terrible. We're at 9.2 thousand likes, and it looks like Mike is trying to do it. Everyone's trying to do it. Tony Mallion, what's dropping to 95 today? We'll come back to that in a minute. Right, it's time to do Day Trader of the Day. So before I go, I want to invite everyone to join us on Discord. We've got just 24 to go, I think it is now, to become a public channel. There's our Discord. It's free. If you want to become a YouTube member and be part of our family, here's an invitation to join. Me and Martyn has talked once, like on the show, a month ago, telling everyone Meta was undervalued. Look at it now. I said it was the best value stock on the stock market. I made a profit from it. The only reason why I don't own it now is because I cleared my margin. Do I feel bad that I've not got it? No. Do I feel bad? Absolutely not. At the end of the day, it is a $200 stock. I'm no doubt about that. But I'm not using my margin to buy it. I would rather have what I have as my own than to borrow money to achieve it. I can achieve it with my own money myself. There we go. If I miss it, I miss it. It doesn't matter. There'll be another opportunity another day. Tony Mallon says Tesla. Well, I've added one into my Roth IRA this morning. I will add more as it goes down to my Roth. I will set limits, keep buying it lower, and I will never sell those at this price. I will keep for 5 to 10 years in my Roth IRA. On here, I might sell them. I have 2 accounts. 10,000 likes. Did we do it? Yes, we did. Thank you very much, Andrew Grady. 10.2 thousand likes. Thank you ever so much, Andrew. And the reason for smashing the likes is if you do the likes, it shows the video to more people on TikTok. That's the reason for doing that. And it ranks up my account on TikTok, which is how we grow more YouTube members. Many people have come from TikTok to this channel. Yes, do you remember your conversation? Our conversation, we both agreed while everyone was so bearish. Yes, I do remember our conversation. If people go back on the videos, they will see the conversation. My fingers hurt. Right. It's Day Trader of the Day. Go to your main portfolio. I will go to mine. Here we are. Before I go, I want to invite everyone, if you've not yet done it, keep running this YouTube playlist. It's my new premiere. There's more coming out soon. Here it is. There's the YouTube playlist. And if you click the playlist, they are starting to go viral now, getting lots of comments and likes. Click the little, can you see it at the top? The loop here at the top, and let it run through. I've got 3,300 watch hours. We've got 700 watch hours to go. If everyone does it, we are probably 2 days away, but not everyone will do it. But doing very, very well. Thank you ever so much, everybody, for promoting these videos. Thank you. And the faster I grow, the more I can do for you, the more I can raise for charity, the more we just all grow together, right? Let's get to 100,000 likes within 100,000 subscribers within 12 months would be amazing. I lost access to my portfolio. I'm going to start again. I'm going to start again and grow my money from 5,000 to that sounds familiar. That sounds familiar. I'll race you there, Ali. Ali, I will race you from 5,000 to 100,000. I will race you to it. You'll be predominantly crypto. I'll be predominantly S&P 500. Let's see who gets there first. That would be a bit of fun, wouldn't it? Right, day trader of the day. I am down because of Virgin Orbit. This is still reflected in yesterday's position. Unfortunately, we are where we are. I shouldn't be down. As you know, if you've watched the video, you'll know why. Down 1.74%. There we go. Now, I want to open it back up now because we've finished our discussion about guns. So we're going to open it back up to everyone can chat again now. So anyone can now chat in the live stream once again. That was a members only moment that everyone could comment. Now, if you're not a member, if you're not a moderator, everybody can now comment once again. Right, 1 minute on the clock. Let's bring up the scores. Are you ready? Okay, here's my score. 1.74. Mr. Clockwork up 55%. Is that your overall? Portfolio? Just confirm. That sounds very high. It can't be one stock. It can't just be you bought one crypto coin. It has to be your overall portfolio. Church, where's Church's score? Good job, Martin. Not really. Why is it a good job? Down 0.75. Down 4.58. Damn Vorb, yeah, up 1.34. I don't have anything else. Oh yeah, okay. I can't use that score then because it's not an overall portfolio. We can't use that if it's just on one portfolio. I meant, what's the price today? Vorb, the price right now on Vorb is it's going up 174. I'm surprised it's gone up, but I'm not buying it though. It's scalp trading. I'm not doing it. Some of you will say, why didn't you leave it? You could have got your money back. In a rocket company that isn't flying, you're mental if you leave your money there. But that's up to you. It'll just be pumped and dumped as fast as you like. People trying to get their money out. That's all it is. But remember, someone is holding the bag, and it's not going to be me. So it's just in limbo. Down 0.94. No idea, says Andrew Grady. Oh my dear, oh dear. So the winner is Shad with up 1.34. 1.34. Congratulations to you, Shad. Look at Virgin Galactic scalp trading in and out and in and out over and over again. 1.34. So I'm going to congratulate you. Thank you very much indeed. Thumbs up, and here is your sound effects. Very good. Good job with the stream today, Martin. Always good to hear someone say you are... Oh, thank you very much. Thanks for the stream. Yeah, it was... we're really growing, aren't we? Appreciate that very much. So owning one stock is not a portfolio. Well, not really. Well, it is a portfolio. Mr. Clockwork, it is a portfolio. I want to be clear. It is a portfolio. But our day trader competition is your overall position of a multi-stock portfolio, because if you only owned one coin or one crypto or one asset, you could be up 1,000% in a day. It wouldn't make any sense. So we know we recognize your score and congratulate you, but it's not an overall portfolio, because you've not got a diverse portfolio. You've got one stock, so you could be down 100% and up 100% in a day, and it would make no sense for this particular competition. This is like David Letterman's show in stocks. This is like the David Letterman show in stocks. Is that a compliment or not? I don't know. David Letterman, wasn't he a big anchor on a big chat show host in American TV? Damn, is that what they call burned crypto? Congratulations, Shad. Oh yeah, I won. You did not listen. I did listen. I just didn't buy it. Mr. Clockwork. I'm running 7 tabs on loop. It sounds like rave music. Then Mrs. just shouted, "Turn it bloody down." Put it on mute. I'm sure you're joking. Puts a little party hat on. Hey, Shad. Right. I just bought one stock of Virgin. Did you? Which one? Virgin Galactic or Virgin Orbit? Now I have a portfolio. Yeah, all right, smarty pants. All right, yeah, we'll see. Can you take a look at Lit, please? Yes, now it counts. Hope it went down. Shall I look at Lit? Yeah, we'll look at Lit, especially for Churchy. All right. I hope it went down. Nothing like support, is there? Nothing like support on this channel. Hey, hope it went down. Hope you lost your money. Lit. This is the, we're looking at this for lithium, for batteries. We're still looking at the best one for our portfolio. It's flat right now. Let's pan out for a year. There it is. It was a little bit better a few days ago, 59.11. It's gone up a little bit, 61. Oh, you bought? No. You always make me smile, Martin. You're our top buddy, Mr. Clockwork. Thank you so much indeed. Thank you. Right, there we go. I think we're going to end the show there and take a break. Thank you ever so much, everybody. Congratulations to our top viewers over there on TikTok. Hang on, where is it? This screen here. Thank you to those of you over on TikTok today who really supported me there. And see you on Discord. Yes, Ali, if you want to call me now, right after the show, I'm available. Afternoon show, sorry. Okay, Tesla went up. Yes, it did. That's my Roth. I'm thinking, what's going on there? I've only got one share. Yes, I'm up on my Roth. Oh, I'm not sharing with you. Here we go. This is my Roth IRA. I bought one this morning. If I go to my main brokerage account, this is my main brokerage account. I have 5. I think it might go a bit lower. I'll add to it again. I've already made a profit on it. I'm holding it long term on my Roth, of course, forever. Never touch that. Just see that grow. See you on Discord in a minute. Take care, Martin. Take care of the coffin. Roll the credits. Nodded off. Sorry, said Bill. He never apologised. Bill, you apologise to no one. Nice to see having cash on the side. Yep. But let me go back to my main portfolio and share with you exactly what I've got right now. Here we go. My portfolio is 33,442, no margin whatsoever, but I've got more than that. 33.4 is actually 34.6 because I have my Roth as well. I've got money in my buying power on my brokerage account, my trading account, $3,000. I've also got 480. My Roth IRA is about to turn green for the first time. Shall we watch and see it happen? It's only got to go up 0.25%, and it'll be up for the first time. This is long-term investing. What do I have in there? Well, Ali Tisro, I have Coinbase. It's up. I have VU. It's up. Tesla will soon be up. Coca-Cola is moving up. And VORB, which is moving up for my long-term position. Never sell. Hold it forever. And there we go. 97 cents. My Roth IRA is about to go green for the first time. And I got a 1% match. I'm going to max it out to $7,000. And there we go. And then we're going to get it for 2023, another $7,000. These are stocks I will buy when they are on all-time lows. Companies that will guarantee to be around in 10 years. And with the exception of Virgin Orbit. So very safe stocks. Tesla at these prices is a safe stock. The S&P 500, J&J, Coca-Cola, 10 years, lovely. Not only will my stocks be up in 10 years, somewhere like 100%. So my $7,000 a year will, for the 10 years, is 70 grand. Will be worth 140 grand. I'll pay no capital gains on the profits because it's a Roth IRA, and that is enough to live on. Just doing that without doing anything in my brokerage account whatsoever. Okay? Great. Love it. That's my situation. So, where are we? Let's wrap up the show. 324 through the stream. 6,032 subscribers. 72 likes. We didn't quite get to 100. If we get to 100 likes, we're doing a cash prize giveaway. 72. Very good. Can we just take a moment, actually? Can we just take a moment before I run the credits? Just this is for the members only. This is for the family. This is for the Lucas Aids. Just a personal moment. Do you mind? All right, this is just for you guys. So it's been a year and a half now since we started this channel. Can't wait for our second anniversary. Started out with no subscribers. It took us 10 months to get monetized. And now we're growing faster and faster every day. It's nearly a subscriber every few minutes. And 6,000 subscribers, over 500,000 views, 150 members. We will lose some of those members, though, let's be honest, because many of those were donated by you. And 90 is the benchmark. We want to hold 100 at least. That's phenomenal. And we've got people from all corners of the world joining us up to 10 hours a day, 5 days a week. Thank you for this. This has been the greatest privilege and honor. One of the most wonderful things of my life. Building One Night in Vegas, my theater show, touring the Elton John tour, all the Phantom of the Opera, all these things. Wonderful. I loved it. But this is very special to me. It is now my income, full-time income. And I want to thank you sincerely. It's been a real honor, and I really feel we're growing now. 72 likes, 40 watching. Can you remember only a few weeks ago, we averaged 30 likes a video. Now we're getting 70, we've 80, we've hit 100 a couple of times. It's incredible. So thanks for all of you for making this possible. Thanks for all of you being here. And bloody COVID wasn't going to stop me going live. It only cancelled 3 shows, morning, afternoon, and the following morning. You're here with me. We've been through this show with people who have passed away during our show. People in hospital, seriously, with COVID. Family members lost. Sad situations happened. People lose their money, get margin call. We've had it all happen on this show. And to all my members, all of you, thank you ever so much for every day for making this channel just an amazing privilege to grow, which I know is going to be the best YouTube channel in the world. Not because of me, because of you. Simply because of you. All right? I would be absolutely nothing without you. You give me direction. You tell me where to go. I learn from you all the time. And that's what this channel is all about. So I look forward to seeing you all back this afternoon. Thank you ever so much, everyone who's a member, the super chats, all of it. I appreciate you all so much indeed. Let's read out the comments. Discord for Ali now. Yes, afternoon. Sorry. See you later. Take care of the cough, says Clockwork. Roll the credits. Nice to have. See you with cash. Veterans pension does it all. Everything else is to play. Thanks for everything you do, Mike. Thanks to you. I told you this morning Virgin Orbit will go back up. Virgin Orbit, well, we're not really. It has gone up. You're absolutely right. I don't know why it's gone up, but I'm not investing in it. All right. So anyway, if I'd held my position, I'd have my $500 back. Well, not quite. Not quite. Still got back 10% to go. That's it from me. Stars of the show. Thanks to our subscribers, our public subscribers only. MTG Mox, Sai Vanguri, Timmy McGlynn, and Wahid Haidari. And some names I can't even read, let alone pronounce. Apologise for that. That's my lack of education. There's many more subscribers. They're just the public ones. Didn't get any super chats today. Didn't get any new members. And didn't get any followers on Twitch. But never mind. That's it from me. Thanks to all of you. I will see you back. Let me just double check. We got up to 72 likes. We'll try again this afternoon. See if we can give some money away when we get to 100 likes. It's not a regular thing, by the way. I'm just making the point. Thanks, Martin. You're doing a great job. Your resonance over there on TikTok. Virgin Orbit is climbing back up again now. Who would have thought it? I'm not buying it, though. I'm sorry. Is anybody else holding and buying it? Not for me. All right. I will see you back in a minute. See you later, guys. In the meantime, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Ali, give me a call on Discord in just a couple of minutes. Bye-bye for now.